Hello, friends. Happy Monday. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, powerful, energetic expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Good morning. Hello. Oh, it's so good to be back on a Monday, everybody. Good morning, Terry. Hello, and good morning to the chat. And of course, Abhishek and Trevor and Nate and Magnus and Aaron and everybody at MyFundedTV. Today is going to be a special one. I know that. Terry, how is your morning?
It's going well. I'm so excited. We have the roundtable today.
Oh, yes, everybody. We're going to have some fun. I know.
Yes, exactly. We have Husk joining us and also Pine Tree Trader. So we have a very special show lined up for you guys. I am excited. How's your morning going, Tom?
Morning is great. I couldn't really trade earlier in the New York session. I was super busy, but London session was fairly okay. I do see some movements in the market. We're going to talk about that too. But yeah, can't wait to share my ideas.
All right, I can't wait. I think you're going to trade right now, so I want to hear all about it. So today, everyone, very special day. We have our roundtable segment, and then also at 10:30 to 11:30, we have Ike and Corey. I wonder if they'll do another trade competition, or what will they do? Pew pew, maybe.
Pew pew. Yeah, that's what they're going to do. I know.
Yes, let's welcome Husk and Pine Tree Trader and also share the special promo.
Let's go. Guys.
Hey, guys.
Welcome.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, guys? Thanks for the great introduction this morning.
How
Looks
are you?
like another day, another great sale available.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. Did you guys see this? Everyone in chat, type in 1 if you're excited about 50% off. Any rapid, any builder, any pro, everyone gets 2 uses of this. This is any size. This is huge. Using code YouTube, of course, the best code. Every time you use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. Yeah, Son of Wall Street says yes. GoldenEye, yes. This is awesome.
Just type it in and that's it. That's all you need to do. Just type in the code YouTube. Thank you.
Yeah, what a great promo. I have never seen this promo before. This is big. It's off of every account, like not every, but Rapid Builder Pro and every
But it never
size.
happened at the same time before. So this is absolutely unique, everybody. So, yeah.
Yes, exactly. Husk, are you thinking you'll grab some? Maybe Pro?
Yeah, probably. And if I do one, it's always either the Rapid or the Builder, just because those fit more of my trading style. I don't usually do the, go big or go home for the pro. So I'm always a huge fan of the Rapid and Builder. I like the Builder because it keeps me kind of level where I don't feel like I need to, like, it cuts me off if I get away from what I'm doing, because it gives you that 50% daily loss where I'm like, okay, I hit that daily loss. I need to walk away.
Yeah, people love that. It's a nice guardrail.
It keeps you checked in place, That's why if you make a mistake, all right, I got a second day to come back and redeem myself.
Absolutely.
I do remember back in the days when the core account was really popular. I did get stopped out a couple of times on my funded account, and I do remember that saved me. Actually, I got the payouts as well. So sometimes it does help a lot. By the way, yeah.
Absolutely. Pine, are you thinking you might snatch some up using YouTube?
Yeah, of course. I've already taken advantage of it. The funny thing is, last night I was doing some degenning, and and realized that there was 50% off on the Pro before they even released it, because I was buying accounts last night. So yeah, I already hit 50% on a 150K Pro.
Woo!
Nice.
So I'm going for a big account there. So
let's go.
Let's go. Tom, let's take a look at your chart. Let's jump right into it.
Oh yeah. So just a quick look, everybody. So as you can see, I'm in a trade with 4 micros. Not a big deal. Obviously, not the end of the world. I'm looking to take some profits at 56.50. The reason for it is that we have a classic doji candle after 8 a.m., 8:10 to be exact, on the 5-minute chart there. We actually swept the lows there, but the main reason for the trade, not just that candle, it's also that we swept some liquidity, some swing lows earlier from London session, and some fair value gaps. And you know, guys, I'm all about supply and demand. I do have some good targets up there. Hopefully it will go, who knows, but it's fine. There is actually a 15-minute supply zone way up there, which is actually starting from 888, but the low of the candles, the first candle's lowest wick is down at 843, and we have a flat candle on the 5-minute chart. So flat candles, we talked about this a couple of times. They are actually really good targets if the market is getting closer, just to sweep those levels. So that's at 813.50 on the micro. So after sweeping some lows here, I thought that why not just go and take out those levels. So I thought I'd jump in. My stop is a little bit wide here at 652-ish. As I said, I'm going to take partials. Who knows what's going to happen. But to zoom out a little bit and see the bigger picture here, we had quite a bigger drop during the Asia session, from the top all the way down more than 500 points. So yeah, quite a huge drop. There is some leftover left from the new week opening gap above. What's the level there? 30,042-ish on the micro. But anyway, I'm just kind of hoping that the market will push higher. Of course, if I'm going to get taken out, no big deal. We'll be looking for maybe a possible short, but there's a 1-minute demand zone down there at 593. So you know what, if we sell off down there, we might even see a 1-hour fair value gap all the way down at 324. That would be quite a nice sell-off, but then yeah, I guess that would be the game plan. But otherwise, I don't see anything else on NQ. And just a quick look on gold, because gold was kind of going sideways a little bit here, and it's still almost, I would say, I'm not trading volume profile, but I would say we're almost at the middle of a point of control area here. And yeah, hopefully it will push higher. We swept some lows. Would be looking for more bullish momentum, especially because gold also had a huge new week opening gap up there. So it's partially repriced, but the gap is still up at 41.11, so 4,111 up there. We'll see. I'm not really looking to trade gold, especially because there's no clean breakout from here, just liquidity sweeps and no particular levels. So yeah, I'm not really going to look at it. And just a quick look on ES. Well, it seems like ES, almost the same situation. The gap is a little bit bigger on ES though, so might be it wants to push it a little bit stronger as it goes higher. That would be actually really helpful for my trade, but the gap is definitely higher. So partially repriced 76.15 all the way up to 76.25. So that's a really good target right there for liquidity. Let's hope that the bulls are gonna, push it. If not, we're gonna be reactive. Just like as I said, if this trade goes to the bin, no problem. I will try to scalp my way down below the 600s. But that's all I have for now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
What a great analysis.
Oh, I wish every day would be like this, but we still have a lot to go. We just talked about this trade with Husk earlier, and I do love these candles really. So I'm going to zoom in on the 5-minute here again, just to show you guys. So the 5-minute at 8:10, whenever I see a doji candle, especially before the market open, and especially if one side has been already swept, there's a really, I would say, I don't have an exact number for you guys, but there's a really good chance that it should be sweeping the opposite side as well. But anyway, looks good. We'll see.
You like it.
I like it.
Husk, do you like this too? I heard you mention that you like this type of candle pattern.
Yeah, I would have already taken my profit. So definitely would have took my 30 points. Remember, I always say I like to shoot for that 30, 40 points on a runner.
That's good.
So
that's a good target.
Once that little doji candle there printed. So, and plus I like the fact that I was telling Tom that we swept the previous day low.
Yeah.
For myself this morning, I'm looking for us to get a back above 820 for my longs, just because there's a lot of resistance up there around the 800s. If you kind of look to the left, And for the
Yeah.
downside, we would need to get below the previous day low. Then maybe you can target the 4-hour low at 580 and below.
Yeah. Yeah. There are some places to go here for sure.
The only thing that I'm worried about, if we get trapped in between the where it can turn into chop, if we get stuck between the previous day low and the consolidation that we just built up here for the last hour. That's the only thing that's going to make for horrible price action this morning.
Yeah.
There's a lot of consolidation from 1 o'clock this morning all the way till 5 o'clock. So we could easily just be bouncing back and forth this morning.
There isn't really any special scheduled news as far as I checked. So we maybe we have to watch for the headlines, right? Yeah. but I
Yes,
didn't see anything.
absolutely. Yeah, I don't see anything either. So there were lots of headline news over the weekend and last night regarding the war in the Middle East. So the market is still very sensitive to headline risk. And Trump was speaking earlier too. It sounds very bearish is kind of the feeling I
does.
got.
It
Yeah,
does.
I
That's
lost-
why.
I was
Yeah,
gonna say
go
I
on.
lost my profit on that eval from that Friday dump. It was one of those ones I was up like 150. I was all in a good mood. And it was like, oh.
Oh no, so many
Same.
people. Yeah.
Luckily, it wasn't a funded account because I got trapped in a funded account with one of those same exact candles back in June, and I lost like almost $400. And I never lose 400 on those funded accounts that it happened to. I was so irritated. The eval didn't really hurt my feeling as bad because I can handle losing my evals, but when it happened to my funded accounts, I was so annoyed. Like I just like, okay, I need to shut this down before I do something silly.
Well, that's the same goes on me as well. Yeah.
It shows the importance of having stops in place now. I mean, even though sometimes it's like, you don't really want to throw a stop in. I know, I hear you, but
Yeah,
Just having that
blasted my
max
stop
pain.
by 30 points.
yeah, it's just been nuts. Yeah, what I've been seeing in the market lately is just the the low volume stuff. So like the Globex Open was absolutely terrible for the first 2 hours. It was the choppiest session that I've ever seen, I swear. And then once the market starts the volume starts to pick up during Tokyo and Asia, then the price action seems to be pretty good. So, and then what's been happening lately, I don't know if it's going to happen today, but the market opens up and you get a nice move for the first hour, maybe hour and a half going into 2, but once the lunchtime comes in, it just gets so choppy and then just goes completely sideways. So it's really that summertime seasonality stuff that's happening right now. So just be careful in the afternoons and things like that. If you're down money, it's best probably just come back, maybe wait till at least power hour or something, trying to get in and trying to make money back in that chop. So we'll see. We do have CPI this week too, so
Should be wild. Oh, look at this, you guys.
Oh,
see this?
look at that. I can see it. Oh
Have you
my
guys
gosh.
seen this? Have you seen this, Husk? Have you seen this?
No, I was very aware. I wasn't even aware of it until you guys were chatting about it a little bit this morning.
I was surprised when I saw this. Like, wow, Terry, what's happening here?
So MyFundedFutures is number one, as we know, and this is another reason why MyFundedFutures is number one. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard, our viewers listening on X, on YouTube, on TikTok, but there was some very negative news regarding the prop space, and MyFundedFutures started this fund, $300,000. Designed to support eligible traders who were recently impacted by industry events. So, like, how cool is this that MyFundedFutures is taking money and giving it to people who got negatively affected by some drama out there?
Guys, this is historical. Nobody in the prop firm space, no prop firm ever did such a thing before. So there's some turmoil in the prop firm space. There are some negativity. We don't want to mention any detail about that. It's not our job here. But guys, MyFundedFutures is stepping up and helping out those traders. And what an amazing gesture this is, everybody. This is absolutely like, I have no words for it, Terry. What do you think? This is amazing, right?
Amazing. Exactly. W's for MyFundedFutures. Everyone, W's. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I actually saw that someone that MyFundedFutures gave someone funded accounts that were affected
Wow.
on Twitter. I mean,
saw that too.
Not just like saying, well, here's some free evals, like literally
Instant sim funded.
give them instant sim funded.
Whoa. Well,
Amazing. I'm seeing lots of W's. How are we doing on likes? I mean,
yeah.
for that, you guys like triple smash the likes.
I mean,
Quadruple.
Quadruple smash that. We are doing good, everybody. Thank you so much. 114 likes. Let's go. 566 viewers. We love it. Thank you so much. We're only 17 minutes in the show. Haven't even started yet. Thank you so much. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, please hop over to YouTube, smash the like, and, subscribe, share the stream link everywhere. We got to get to 70K subs as soon as possible for the biggest giveaway ever. But thank you, guys. This is our daily job, to do the likes, to do the subs. Thank you so much. Let's beat the algorithm. Let's get to, well, right now, we got to get to like at least 220. But you know what? By the end of our segment, we need to reach 300, 350 maybe, right? At least.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Yes. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Thank you so much. We can do it, everybody.
How's your long going, Tom?
Well, a bit of a drawdown. No surprise there. I was expecting this. There's a 5-minute fair value gap. I was actually kind of expecting that it will go a little bit lower. It might gonna get close to my stop loss, but it's no problem. This account is in a nice little profit there, so I'm willing to give it back if I have to. Not a big deal, but I'm still kind of hoping that the open will push it higher. If not, then there's always the next trade on the corner, so we'll see.
So this is a 15-minute inside bar. Have you ever looked into any of those, Pon? The higher time frames like that?
A little bit, yeah. So I actually like, the funny thing is I like inside bars on a 1-hour chart. Like when I see an inside bar on a 1-hour chart, that can really swing my bias. But yeah, but I never really looked at them at 15s, things like that. It just gets to be too much for me. Too much analysis.
Yeah.
I
feel that one. Okay. I was just curious because one was happening at the moment, so I was just curious.
Yeah, we were kind of sweeping a 15-minute gap here as well. So it unfortunately it's not looking good for my trade, but yeah, repricing lower. I'm just, for me, it doesn't really make sense because I don't really see any good target on the downside. London session actually swept a nice swing low at 564. And, if we get below that, well, I don't see anything else than just selling off down to the 324 level. There's that 1-hour fair value gap. Otherwise, I don't really see anything. So I might be totally offside here, but doesn't matter. I will jump into a short then maybe, but yeah, it seems like the market is actually, the bulls are not really strong on this one right now. Who knows? Yeah.
Okay. We'll wait and see.
Wait and see. Exactly.
I'd say it in Hungary, but I don't remember how.
Wait and see. I might. That's actually a little bit complicated. There's a very simple word for it in Hungarian. We say meglátjuk.
Megalactute.
Almost. Yeah, getting there.
I have to work on it.
Yeah, after the stream, everybody, we're doing Hungarian lecture stream. Let's go.
Extra bonus.
Extra bonus, yes. So yeah, going down there, it seems like. Anyway, doesn't matter.
So do you guys remember when we announced that Ash had his baby and our segment voted on the present to send to him? Do you guys remember? Type in 1 in chat if you remember.
I do remember. That was so awesome.
Tom remembers. Trevor remembers. Anyone else? Only 3 people? No way.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this, you guys. So Ash made a post to say thank you so much. I just want to take a moment to express how incredibly grateful I am for MyFundedFutures and everything they've done for me throughout my trading journey. Wow, this is so sweet. Okay, so congratulations, baby Ash there. Look, it's the unicorn.
Look at that. Exactly.
This is amazing. What we all voted on.
So cool.
You guys totally made Ash's day. You guys are awesome.
You know what, guys? This is just one more thing that kind of proves to everybody that we're such a great team and such a great community. All positive vibes, everybody. So, and of course, it's just happening every day. Positive vibes, positive energy, and look at that. There's the gift card.
There it is from you guys.
From
all
you
of you guys. Yes. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Lots of W's. I love it. I see we already are smashing the likes. Mine is at 151. It's probably even higher.
Let's go, everybody. I know we can easily hit the 350. Oh, yeah. Easily. We can get there.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah. So,
let's go.
Hovering around 700. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Your trade's still alive.
No, that's it. I just wanted to notify everybody. We're still hovering at 700 there. If we can stay above, that would be great. But yeah, bulls are not really engaging here. I don't know why. We'll see. Sitting at the midnight level a little bit. Yeah. I
really hope we get like a nice retracement at the open. Well, sometimes it just goes in that direction and then it bounces. But I'm hoping for your trade that we just get like that quick bounce.
We can easily get it back. You know, if anything goes bad, we're just going to do the pew trades and easy peasy. No problem.
Exactly. Pine, what are your thoughts on your strategy for today?
I'm just going to wait for the combo trades, 5 minute and 2 minutes, and then just try to react off them. That's it. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to look for little scalps. And my goal this week is to, on my funded accounts especially, is to just be able to walk away on a red day. I haven't been able to do that lately. It's either green or blow up on the account. So that's my goal, is to try to just walk away on a red day. If I'm down like $400 on the account, 500, then I'm just gonna call it. It's more of a challenge for myself to see if I can actually do it. So
I think that is a great challenge. Lots of people struggle with that. It's either like boom or bust. And you want like all the profits. And then it's just very difficult for our brains as humans to just accept an acceptable red day, right? Oh, Tom, I see you're nodding your head. You're like, yeah, I agree.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's part of the whole situation and it's part of the business, but yeah,
yes,
we'll see.
Yeah, that sounds like a great plan. Husk, do you have a plan for the day?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for us to get back below the previous day low and see if we kind of build structure below it. I'm really not really all into shorts unless we get below 600. There's a huge order block down there and more support just right below it. And for longs, I'm not really liking the longs unless we're back to be of 820. So it doesn't mean I won't take a long. So basically that just turns into more of a scalping. Kind of like when you say, Tom, is this a scalping day? That's where you're just kind of scalping in between levels.
Oh, yeah.
And also, can I ask Terry a quick question? I was going to ask you, I've been meaning to ask you, how has the one strategy been working where you're taking the opposite side of the opening 5 minutes?
I love that. It's so fun. It's so fun.
I didn't know you were taking that until I streamed with you last week. And I went back and looked. I was like, well, how well that works? Because I've just been curious. And so
did you look?
I went back and looked at it a few weeks, but not like in detail. I know it doesn't happen every day. So it's like maybe 2-3 times a week, it looks like.
Oh, like where it takes the opposite side of the 5 minute orb?
Where it takes the opposite side of the 5 minute orb, yes.
So actually, I did a back test for the last 6 months, and throughout the entire New York session, the 5 minute orb will break both sides about 70% of the time. So it's actually a really great fade trade if price comes down to that opposite side for a nice scalp. I love that trade. That one feels good because it goes with like that disappointment trade idea where a bunch of people are disappointed, all their stops are there, and then it can like instantly go.
A bunch of people disappointed. That's a good strategy, Building a strategy on disappointment. It sounds weird, but it's actually great. By the way.
It makes sense,
trades are always the best. You don't have to do no thinking. It's just straight mechanical. You just put your order down.
Let's start behaving, everybody, because Aaron is in the chat. Hello, Aaron. Welcome.
Hi, Aaron.
Good morning, Aaron.
Yeah. Aaron's asking who caught the drop yesterday on NQ.
Oh, wow. I wish. Yeah, that was nice. But yeah, it seems like Enku is gonna get me on this one. How much time do you have until open? Okay, a little bit more than 3 minutes. No, 4 minutes. Yeah.
Now, do you guys
scary.
consider an open, like, because I still have an open gap up at the highs, but I know it closed the gap at the regular trading hours at where that closed at 4 p.m. Eastern time. But at 5 p.m. Eastern time, I still have an open gap up there. Do you guys consider that an open gap, or just when it closes at 4 p.m.?
I haven't really actually used that type of method. I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you think, Terry?
Yeah, so you're looking at the 4 p.m., which is a New York close. I'm in Central Time, so I'm always doing math in my mind. Yeah, New York close. There's still that. It's a huge gap from. It's possible, definitely. We could get a gap fill.
Yeah, because I got about, let's see, I got a low of that last candle at 63, and then I got a high today of 41. So there's like 22 points above there as an open gap that hadn't been filled, which is kind of interesting to me, where YM completely filled the gap, which is something that I've been watching and observing, but I just never, it usually happens in the overnight. So if you have a gap that's like a Sunday night open gap with YM, I don't know what the statistic is, but I swear that thing fills every single time. I have no idea what the statistic is, but I mean, it is already filled. It filled this morning at 5 a.m. Eastern time, 5:30 Eastern time. But yeah, it's just nuts. It always seems to fill that open gap.
Well,
Interesting.
we gotta keep an eye on that. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That would be a huge target from here. We are trading within yesterday, Friday's range, towards the bottom of the range, though. I wouldn't be surprised if we at least get to at least like the middle of the 5-minute orb from Friday. You would think, but who knows? Anything could happen. Market might open, it might just flush 300 points in like 2 minutes.
Easy. Easy. We've seen everything from NQ, I think. Lots of things.
So are you rolling your trade into opening, Tom?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this one on. I'm comfortable with the risk, although this one is gonna bite me a little bit. Not a big deal. I think it has like about $400 of risk on it, which is okay because the account is up almost 600. So I'm gonna give majority of the profits back on it. But I'm confident even after a stop loss, because I don't know why. I mean, I do have a theory, but I feel like this is going to go up there anyways, maybe later. So I'm going to save some more energy for another long position for later, but we'll see what happens. Yeah.
Nice. I don't usually have that
I still
confidence.
like it. I like it. We just see a retracement so often around the open. Like if the market just tanks a ton overnight, so many times we'll see a nice retracement. Okay, market's going to open soon. Good luck, everyone.
Yeah, good luck, everybody. So let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. Just joking. Let's go. Here we go.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna flush me down the toilet. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna bite me. It's gonna bite me. Well, it is what it is.
Oh,
I'm still gonna look for that doji candles high later, maybe for a quick scalp, you know.
Yeah, but I feel like you have 4 hours of consolidation here, man. It's like
it needs to sweep lower. Unfortunately, it will sweep that low. It is what it is, guys. But here we go. I got taken out. Well, actually, 1 micro is left on the table, so not entirely being taken out. But you know what? 1 micro is left here, so maybe, who knows? It did sweep that low. You never know. It did sweep that 55. I'm actually eager to jump back into a pew trade to scalp this one higher. So I'm jumping back in. And let me see. Oh my gosh, I'm already in profit.
Woo,
so.
let's go.
But I'm just kind of trying to, you know what? I'm gonna take off 3 micros here if it goes higher, and I'm gonna leave 2 micros to 213, 211 actually. So it's still all right, but I gotta put a stop loss on it. So this is gonna be a heavy one. Let's just hope that it will just push it back up there.
So this was a little bit what I was talking about. If we open up, how we could chop in between these two zones starting out until we get away from these zones.
Yeah,
Oh
we're
my
definitely
gosh.
chopping right now, but we'll see.
So the initial balance low from Friday was 798. Can we get there? Maybe.
Well,
Go.
maybe. I forgot that I'm in with 6 micros on this one. That's heavy. That is heavy. That is very heavy. My finger is on the close button, actually. If I see something crazy going on, I'm just gonna hit the kill switch here. But I really want to see this one taking out that pin bar, or pin bar, not pin bar, doji, the doji up there. Come on, take. Actually, I'm gonna bring my initial TP. I'm just gonna modify it to 5650. Okay, let's go with that. Actually, if it takes that, I just made back what I've lost on the drop, and I still have 2 micro runners, so it's still good. I really want to see that sweep. So heavy breathing, everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
full clench.
Yeah, everything has to be clinched right now, all the muscles. So, oh my gosh. Okay, we'll see. Anyway, I'm open up for any ideas.
So I have a quick story that I can share real quick.
Yeah.
So I ran into a legendary trader over the weekend, which is kind of neat. Old school Tom Sosnoff. If you guys can Google it. But it was so weird. It was so funny. Just up here in Maine, chilling. I see this guy sitting in a rocking chair, and I'm like, man, I recognize that guy. Like, well, if you guys, just a quick story, he's the founder of Thinkorswim.
Wow.
And so I recognized him, and I did a double take, and then I circled him like a shark before I said anything. and then I saw that his business name, the Tasty Trades or whatever it is, was printed on the side of his backpack. So one of his other businesses. And so then I knew it was him, and I went up and I shook his hand, and I told him that I was a host on MyFundedFutures TV, and he was very familiar with the show.
Nice.
So then I was like, well, maybe if maybe if I tag him in Twitter or whatever, Instagram, I was like, maybe we can get him to come on the show, but who knows, you know. But anyways, yeah, I just thought that was kind of cool. And just like, he probably has been up here on vacation for a week or so, and no one from Maine recognized him until this guy came along and was like, hey, what's going on? But yeah, I thought that was funny.
Story.
That's cool.
Were you starstruck, Pine? Were you like, oh my gosh, he's such a star?
No, well, I was a little bit too shy to take a selfie. I wanted to take a selfie, but after, I was like, man, I wish I would have took a selfie. But I mean, he was just chilling in a rocking chair, like scrolling through Instagram or whatever he was doing. So I didn't really, I didn't really want to bother him, but it was cool.
He's human. Yeah,
of course.
I think he sold the Tasty Trade for like $1 billion.
Yeah, he
really?
sold it. Yeah, both of his companies for hundreds of millions of dollars, and then like over $1 billion. So
yeah,
legend.
He was a legend.
Yeah, in options and things like that. So yeah.
Yeah, Thinkorswim, for people who don't know, Thinkorswim was one of the first really, really good, incredible retail trading platform with charts and everything and indicators, and you can program the first. So I think that's pretty cool. He's legendary. If he's listening, he's probably embarrassed. Cool story, Pine.
That's so cool. I like it.
I know Terry. I told Terry this off stream, and she's like, I'm so jealous. And I was telling Terry, I'm like, yeah, I wish you were with me, because I know if you had been with me, then he probably would have been coming on the show, MyFundedFutures TV, because Terry would have chatted him right up. I know. I'm a very shy person, so
you never know. Oh my gosh, that would be so amazing if we could get him on.
Know.
He was a floor trader, you guys, a futures floor trader, and so I'm sure he has so many good stories to share.
100%. Oh yeah.
So we're doing the duck race today, twice.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be cool. I love that. Duck race is amazing. That is amazing. We love that. Unfortunately, my trade got stopped out, so I'm gonna wait until the next one. This was a heavy hit on my end, took a heavy hit there, so I'm definitely gonna wait. But anyway, once we get back above the midnight level, which is 690, maybe I will try again. Who knows? I will see. But
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do the round table.
Oh yeah,
let's do it.
I love it. Nice. Ooh, look at that.
Let's go.
Oh
Okay,
my
I
gosh.
have. Here we go. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Fire away.
Who's ready for the round table? It doesn't sound like you guys are ready.
Well, we gotta
Okay.
take it no matter what.
Focused on our answers.
Let's try this again. Are you ready?
We are ready. I was born ready.
Okay, let's go. First topic, 1 trade a day or 20 trades a day. Who is the better trader? Pine.
Ooh, so this is a tough one, especially for me. This is something that I'm trying to practice this week, is just trying to do that 1 trade a day, where I was doing way more than 20 trades a day recently, trying to chase those big numbers. Was very successful at doing it, but I found that it wasn't quite sustainable for me and very stressful. So what I am trying to implement this week is just trying to do that I would say 1 to 3 trades a day. That's kind of like the sweet spot. And in order to do that is trying to copy trade my accounts to be able to do that 1 trade a day. If not, if I'm rotating all my accounts around, then I'm just going to be placing way too many trades. So I'm going to say 1 trade a day.
Pine says 1 trade a day. Husk, which one? 1 trade a day or 20 a
I'm gonna be
day?
in a little bit on the middle with this one. The reason why I say that, I think if you're taking advantage of the prop firm accounts, you can trade multiple times a day. So it's kind of like you can have that 1 trade a day per account, but you can trade 5 or 10 time trades. So I'm kind of in the middle with that one.
Right in the middle.
I like taking 5 to 10 trades, but I like doing it 1 with each account.
So you rotate. That's your secret.
Correct. But I definitely believe 1 trade per funded account is the key. But the key is to have 5 or 10 funded accounts, once you get to that level when you're trading.
So really 1 trade a day. I feel
Per
like you're a 1
funded,
trade.
yeah.
For funded. Tom, what are your thoughts? 1 trade
Well-
a day or 20 trades a day? Like, who is the better trader is what I want to know.
Well, it's an interesting question because just like Husk was saying, like, do we have multiple accounts or not? So taking 1 trade a day per account, I would say that's also a great idea. But I would go multiple trades. We're talking about like 20 trades a day. Maybe that's a little bit too much. But, if you have only 1 single account, then I would say 1 trade a day is going to keep your discipline intact for sure. So definitely if you want to go for long term and to be, the utmost disciplined trader out there, then definitely 1 trade, that's going to sharpen your skills, your mindset and everything. So as it's going to keep you out from making too much stupid decisions. So yeah, I would say definitely 1 trade a day. But if you have multiple accounts that you can rotate, you can definitely take more. So 1 trade per account per day, that's actually a really good strategy for rotating. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah.
Everyone is saying 1. Husk, it sounds like you're in the middle, but really I heard you say 1 a day with rotating. No, is there an argument for 20 trades a day? Is there an argument for this?
Depends, I guess.
Well, I mean, I think it's that if you're so say I'm going to go back on my statement, but a little bit, just like if you're really feeling it, and it depends on what you're trying to do with the account. Like if you have an account that has like no consistency rule, trying to push it up over those buffers and things on day 1 and using that drawdown is a pretty nice strategy to do. But if you have a consistency where you're just like, well, I just need to make $300 today or whatever, $150 or whatever to hit that consistency, then just trying to look for that one trade to do that is good. But can you walk if you take that 1 trade and it's red, are you going to walk away? or you're going to take another trade and then try to get it to green. You know, that's the thing.
Exactly. That's the big question. Yeah. Can you walk away? That's the greatest question. Are you able to walk away on a day like that?
I have taken 70 trades in one day before.
70 trades. Wow. Okay.
True.
That's cool.
Okay, here we go.
know,
Next
Terry.
topic.
We know.
30-minute trader or 6-hour trader? Which trader is better? Tom.
Whew. Well, I would say 30-minute trader would be the best, although that contradicts the fact that I'm streaming way more than that throughout the day. But I would say 6 hours. So especially if you have like a main job or business, 6 hours is just too much. Let's face it. If you just narrow it down to the market open, let's say New York open 9:30. 1, maybe 2 hours is more than enough to find your pattern, something that repeats. Obviously, you got to have something that repeats over and over. So if you don't find your trade in that 1 or 2 hours, for example, at the market open, let it be the New York Open or even the London Open or the Asia Open, I would say there is just no need to sit 6 hours at the computer. Now, I live in Europe, so it's very convenient for me to trade the London Open and the New York Open as well, and I'm very grateful for that. So I do trade more, but even though when I'm seeing like, okay, I kind of put on my trades at the first hour or so, and I'm kind of where I want to be, or maybe not where I want to be, but I'm kind of feeling like, okay, it's enough. So I would say you don't need 6 hours for sure. 30 minutes should be enough. That's it.
30 minutes should be enough. Husk, is 30 enough? Or
Probably
is 6
not.
better?
For myself, I'm gonna go with the 6 because I like to trade quite a bit, and I like to trade upwards of between 5 and 10 accounts. So I have different accounts for every time of the day. I have an account that I like to trade during the lunch hour when I'm trading on MyFundedFutures. In the morning time, I have my funded accounts that I like to strictly trade. And then whenever I'm trading the Asia market, I trade a certain, usually a couple different evals. So I'm going with the 6 hours just because I do almost trade 6 hours a day. And I have my accounts broke up into those time zones or those time periods.
Oh, that's clever to have
Yep.
it broken up to time
Yep.
periods too.
Funded
Very
accounts are like the
systematic.
first hour, and the lunchtime hour, because I had to kind of learn how to do the lunchtime chop. So usually it's a mix between fundeds and evals. And Asia is strictly evals.
So we have less time with Tom. Huss says more time. Pine, what are your thoughts?
I'm going to go with less time, 30-minute trader. Definitely that's someone I want to be, is just in and out of the markets, looking for those specific setups, taking that base hit. Maybe that it goes back to that 1 trade a day type system, but just really just having your funded accounts, maybe under a copy trader, smacking that good trade, that good setup, and then walking away for the day. And then trying to really just focus on my health and well-being and spend time with friends and family, things like that. That's why I got into trading, was just the freedom of it. I just like just about every single person here has probably had a 9-to-5 job at some point, has grinded it out 10, 15, 20 hours a day, sometimes at their job. And for me, just being a trader is just the ultimate freedom, and to be able to make a couple $100, if not a couple $1,000 in just a few minutes and then walking away and then enjoying my life. So I'm going to say 30 minutes a day. That's where my sweet spot is.
30 minutes is ideal.
Yeah.
What about 23 hours?
Okay.
If I'm
That's
tilting,
really bad. That's bad.
If I'm tilting, then I'm here from bell to bell. I'm here. If I'm tilting, I'm here from when I wake up till Tom streams at London. I mean, that's when I'm tilting.
Oh no.
I do see that we did break a low of day. Oh, did you guys hear that?
I did hear that. I did hear it. That was the sound, everybody. Go to
form-
the chat.
Yes.
Yeah. Everybody, go to the chat.
Go.
I know I
Go.
wasn't that short, and I wasn't paying attention, and my stop loss got hit. I was actually short from 42, and I was focusing on the chat and the the stream and I wasn't paying attention and I got stopped out for a $2 loss, or I actually made $3. I was like, oh, what happened? And I looked, I was like, oh.
Oh,
manageable.
no. So everyone, there is a forum that's dropped in chat. This forum is how you can enter the duck race. The duck race is our giveaway race. We will be airing that very soon here. So make sure you fill it out, and you do have to be present to win. So good luck, everyone. And I see that there is a keyword. MyFundedFutures just dropped it in chat. There's a keyword.
Okay, everybody.
Special. It's special. I think you need the keyword to enter the giveaway. Maybe? Is this a thing?
So.
I think
so too. Yeah.
The market looking angry.
I know it is
down 400 and
happy.
460 points, almost 2% again. I mean, it's just so wild to me that 2% moves are just a regular occurrence now. It's just very wild.
Is it anyone in a trade right now?
Nope, not yet.
No, but I'm actually looking for reversal. So if it reverses to the upside, I will jump in. But we'll see. For now, I'm just scared to take a long right now. It does feel like it can just waterfall down. Who knows?
So I shorted under that previous day low that I had talked about, and we got the setup. I entered, but like I said, I stopped looking at the charts because I got focused on the questions and stuff, and I shorted under the previous day low, where we wigged back up into the previous day low. Well, you see that or not? All right. See how we pushed below the previous day low here?
Yeah.
And we wigged back into it. And then once this candle breaks back below this candle, I basically got short once it got back below the body of the previous candle. And that's how I entered that off the 62. And I had like a 20 point stop loss. And I didn't realize it stopped me out. Oh, I know what happened. I have that ATM strategy set up where it takes me to break even. That's what had to happen. I was like, why did I get stopped out? So I'm assuming that's what happened. Let me look on here real quick.
Oh, your short would have worked out so beautifully.
Yeah.
Shoot.
So I do have a setup. I do have a setup setting up, I guess, right now.
Let's see it.
It is a 2-minute combo trade. I think I might take it depending on what this next candle does here. I'm just going to look for the break of this inside bar here. It's just one of those things I'm just going to throw on and see what happens, but just with a few micros on a rapid eval. And basically what I'm going to look for, if it breaks, say 44, I'm going to go short. Stop's going to go at 600. And if it breaks 600, then stop's going to go down there at whatever, 44 or so. So that's what I'm going to look for. And
that's actually good.
See what happens. I mean, the market is looking super bearish, so I'm not trying to. It's just a little scalp setup, I guess. Now, as far as take profits, that's the thing, is like I don't really do a set take profit, whether it's like 10, 15, 20 points. I don't really do that. I usually just try to get what I need. In this case, I do need $200 to hit 50%. So if I do hit $200, then I will get out. But besides that, it might be. But we are just consolidating down here at the low. Now this is a little more tricky, where we're putting in 2 consecutive inside bars after. So we're just completely consolidating here. So it's a little bit more tricky. So I might.
Yeah, I can't decide what to do here. Is this going to reverse? Are we getting into a consolidation? I feel like if we're getting into a consolidation, that could be just accumulating another drop to the downside, so further continuation down there. The 1 minute chart, we're just going sideways. We have some bearish wicks, so it's kind of rejecting the upwards movement. It feels like it wants to make another leg lower, but I have no other confirmation.
Ooh,
yeah,
market
if it breaks,
is angry.
Yeah,
if it breaks,
market is angry.
57, I might short here.
Yeah, I'm tempted to jump into a scalp too, but I'm just scared to do it.
I'm short.
It does feel like. Let's go.
I'm gonna look for the low.
Short.
There it is.
Wow.
Quick
That
one.
was a quick one.
Woo! W's.
Let's go. Nice.
It actually delayed and actually didn't fill my order correctly, but that's okay. It was still a quick short. So and the reason why I did like that short is because that is technically the combo trade that I've been trying to trade lately. It's just you're getting an outside candle, inside candle, inside candle, and it's just consolidation, and then taking the break of that last inside candle. Stop's gonna go above that, so no matter what, and then you can look for whatever you want to take. But the nice thing about that trade right there is that it was a bear flag as well, so you had a nice bear flag inside bar type move there. So, and it could keep going lower here, but yeah, it actually happened so quick that it delayed on my my end here. But that's all right.
Profit is profit. That's it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Husk, you look focused. Are you in a trade?
I was
about to
looking
go
for
in one?
targets to the downside. I'm not in a position, but I know we have resistance around here where Pine entered. If we can get through this area, we should get another nice push down to 475. And the ES has not ran that 4-hour low that we were possibly waiting on this morning, all the way down at what, 55.72, 55.74. So
I like
definitely
that
could be a
475.
nice big move to the downside this morning. It's
Yeah.
just ES is kind of chopping. It's like it's holding the NASDAQ up at the moment.
Yeah.
It
Yeah, I'm
does.
wondering if we make another leg lower, like Tom was saying, because it's trying right now.
It's trying,
Yeah.
but Husk has a good idea there with the 475. On the micro, we have a low at 474.25. It kind of feels like that it can still drop down to that level to sweep more liquidity.
Still going. It's still going down. This is just
And
a
don't
sell-off
forget,
so far this morning.
We have the round number of 500. I don't know what you guys think about these round numbers, but I think they do have some sort of a magnetic effect or something. The market really loves to tag those round numbers. I feel like it. So 500 is real close.
I love hold number trading. I trade in between hold numbers most of my trades.
There you go.
Yeah.
Maybe 420 up next. I'm wondering if it'll consolidate a little bit. So the 30-minute candle will be closing in about 7 minutes. Might get a pullback if we do go lower. At least
Jumped
a little
into
one.
a sell.
Oh, no.
I'm targeting
Still going.
502. So I took this short 5 micro. It's a little bit heavy, but I might going to close this trade manually because I really want to see a waterfall down to 502. So anyway, I'm in this short. It's mostly would be a pew trade, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. But I really want to see this one tag 500. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, my entry is 532 on this one. So in a bit of a drawdown. We'll see.
Tom, are you also watching the ES?
Yeah, kind of watching it too, but I still want to see. Yeah,
I was gonna
ES
say,
is-
if you're looking at the ES right now, the ES is stuck at Friday's or Thursday's previous day high at that 95 to 97. And if you kind of watch it, it just keeps wicking below it, and it just cannot get below that previous day high from last week.
Well, I
So
just want to
you
see
can-
that round number. That's it. So.
Oh, okay.
So-
So just a quick scalp. Okay, that's a
Going.
Yeah, I
what you're
mean,
saying.
we'll see. But as you said, ES could be having this effect on NQ that is just gonna bounce up 100 points easy on this one. So my finger is on the close button again.
We'll stay fingers crossed.
I might gonna take a heavy hit here again, but we have days like this. But yeah, it doesn't really want to go.
The YM is kind of rallying, which is interesting. The YM. So it could be moving opposite of NQ, which it can do, depending on. Oftentimes it'll it's like a money shift, right? The money's coming out of the tech and it's going into the Dow. But yeah, YM currently up 196 points right now in the green, and NASDAQ down 480 points in the red.
Oh
So
yeah. I don't like this move.
does anyone in the chat trade YM? Because I do like trading YM. Is anyone in the chat like trading YM? I mean, it's
YM
like
can move super fast, right?
it's like everyone's like it's like for old people. Well, I'm getting old, so
It's like
It's yeah,
What's the cost per contract on the YM?
$5 per point.
Is that mini?
Yep, with a
Okay.
mini.
And what are the micros? Do you know?
What's a micro? I don't know what a micro
Do
is.
they not have those in YM?
Yeah, I was
They
just
do.
teasing.
Oh, okay.
I just
I didn't
teasing.
know. I've never even looked at YM, so I was like, well, I'm not going to say. Okay,
It
Yeah,
must
they'll
be
let
50
them.
cents. Yeah.
Yeah, 50 cents,
90
yep.
bits says 50 cents.
Okay, I didn't even know they had nanos until I went to Bitcoin once. I was like, what is a nano?
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Yeah, YM's really. So the funny thing is that I've been pretty successful trading YM, and for some reason I always go back to the NASCrack. I always call it the NASCrack because I'm addicted to it. It's the fast movements, the quick, but with YM you could really get some consistent gains, and I did it earlier in the year where I got some pretty big payouts. And all I was doing was copy trading YM, and it's a little bit slower, which actually works better on a copy trader. So it moves a little bit slower. You can get better fills if you're copying a bunch of accounts, where NASDAQ can be very erratic, and oftentimes the copy trader can screw up. You kind of saw it on my last trade where it was so fast that even my order didn't even fill. It kind of like bounced around it there for a second. So YM, don't overlook YM, chat. I mean, it's a good asset to trade.
Yeah.
Let's do. Oh,
Yeah,
go
so
ahead.
I just
Sorry,
want to say
Tom.
I just closed my short because it was clearly moving higher. So trading wise, that's it for me in this session. It seems like I'm definitely, yeah, it happens. I'm definitely offside today, guys. But I just want to say, like, if this is going to correct itself here and we are going to trade back above the 600, which we are now, then I would be still looking at the 700s up there. But I'm not going to take a trade. You know, that's it. It is what it is.
Maybe Terry will
Yes.
get her set up today.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know.
You never know.
Let's do another roundtable topic.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ooh, this is a good one. This is a very hot topic. Positive expectancy or net profitable. So what that means is a live trader, a successful live trader will have an upward sloping equity curve, correct? However, you can be a prop firm trader and net make lots of money into your bank account. However, if you were to add up all of your trades, including the evals, your expectancy is very negative, but yet your bank account has money. So which one is better, Tom?
Oh my gosh. Well, I would say net profitable definitely matters. Like positive expectancy is also something that we're all watching and looking at that number. But I would say money, you got to follow the money, right? And that's it. So I'm going to say net profitable. Keep a tab on how much you spend on not just evals, but maybe if you're even having a personal cash account. So got to come out on a positive note there. And at the end of the day, if you're making money, that's all that matters. So definitely net profitable. Yeah. So,
Okay, money in your bank account is what's most
Yeah.
important.
100%.
Husk, what do you think?
I'm probably gonna go with the prop trader. I feel like that's to me, I always just recommend that to anybody, especially if you're just starting out trading. I don't ever recommend live accounts just because, you know, most people usually struggle in the very beginning. Even though they're looking at how much they can make in those live accounts, they don't really anticipate the risk that comes with trading a live account. So I always recommend prop.
Prop. Pine, what do you think?
Well, I agree with I agree with both Tom and Husk. I really do. I think being net. I mean, your bank account really doesn't care where that money's coming from. When you're paying those bills, they're like, "Oh, that money's coming in. Let's pay the bills." It doesn't really matter. But I think the goal for a lot of us is to have the positive expectancy. I know that Terry and I have talked a lot about this, where it's like, yeah, we can be very good at prop trading and pulling out money But if you look at our positive expectancy, it would never last in a live account. And I definitely showed that last week when I ran up those pro accounts, and then like an idiot, I didn't even take the payout. You know, I kept trying to run them up like it was an unlimited money glitch, and really I should just took the payout. And that just proves to me that I cannot trade a live account and be consistent with it yet. So I think net profitable is always great. That's what really matters, is getting that money. And our job as traders is to pull money out of the markets, and whatever means possible, just get that money and put it in. Our job's not to be right about a trade. It's not try to be some genius on the chart. It's just, the goal is to pull money out of the market and put it into your pocket. I mean, that is the number one objective. But like I said, the goal as a trader, my ego, all that, is to have the positive expectancy and to be able to trade a live account consistently and be able to hold it forever. You deposit money into a live account and to be able to just hold it forever and be able to make money. So yeah. What do you think, Terry?
I see VuksNW, VUKSNDW says, if you profitable with negative expectancy, then don't expect the wins to last.
That's interesting. Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. I know Ike would say your bank account doesn't care. Like,
That's
it doesn't
right.
care
By the way.
where you get the money from, as long as you deposit it. Yeah, I think that is why we love trading props, because there is this leeway for us to potentially still make money even though you're developing your game. Like, as you're continuing to improve, you can still potentially get paid, which is really nice, because in a live account, oh, forget about it. Your money is just gone while you're on that learning journey. And it can take years, like, right? It doesn't happen overnight. Yeah.
Years easily. Yeah, I do get this
I like
question,
the
like how
fact
many times? Yeah.
I like the fact
Go on.
with prop firms, you can have a budget and with the possibility of making a lot of money.
Yes,
With a live
exactly.
account, you cannot.
Yes. Okay, let's go on to the next one. One market or many markets? Focus only on one asset, or should you just like go around and see what's in play depending on the day and just wing it, Tom?
Well, I like to say one market over many markets, because it depends on how many, right? But nowadays, I always say, like, I try to keep an eye on gold as well. My favorite is still going to be NQ. But I just feel like you're kind of developing a certain skill or intuition for that market that you're watching, actually, or that you're trading every day. And there are some differences between, like, even if you're just trading Forex or like currency markets, or I mean, like, the thing is, I think it requires a different kind of focus. You got to watch for more information, and I think the more input is hitting your brain, the more easier you can get like the analysis paralysis, like, oh, this is doing this is doing that, and you're kind of getting messed up in between your trades. I think it's just messing up your thinking process. So I would definitely focus on one market for sure. Yeah, 100%.
Specialize in one.
Yeah.
Pine, what do you think?
Multiple markets. Yeah, I mean, get that money. I mean, gold, YM,
There you
silver. Yeah, I mean, just really, though, the important thing is if you are going to trade multiple assets, I think that if you rotate accounts around and make sure that you're not over trading, just trading to trade. So if say the NASDAQ is completely flat, because oftentimes during the Globex Open, it's very, very flat. It can just go sideways. And then you look over at gold, and gold's moving, and it might give you a good trade to trade with gold. But trying to look for that little base hit for the day on the account, and not just to trade, because you can always go. I mean, if you click through oil, gold, silver, NASDAQ, YM, ES, you're probably always going to find a trade. But should you just keep trading to trade just because, you find a trade with a different instrument? And I think that if you find a nice setup and your goal is to say make $200 on that account, then to take the setup, win a loss, pull the trigger, doesn't really matter. I see people that say, I'm afraid to trade gold. I'm afraid to trade silver, things like that. Well, usually it's because they're over leveraged. They don't understand the, how much, they're risking per trade. So don't be scared of looking at a different asset, but just use the proper risk management and pull the trigger and just get your 1 or 3 trades in a day.
Pine says, get the money. Who
Get
cares?
the money.
Get the money. Husk, what are your thoughts?
I am a one market trader only, but I do watch other markets if I feel like those markets affect the market I'm trading. So I know the ES usually affects the NQ, but I prefer the one market just because I am a pattern trading where I like to look for those patterns. Like this morning when Tom was talking about taking that trade off the doji candle, that's just a pattern that usually always is going to pay a nice scalping trade on the NQ or MNQ.
Yeah.
So that's why I always prefer just strictly one access or one market to trade, because I'm not out looking for. I think I remember when I first started out trading, I don't know if probably a lot of you guys remember this, where people would go around and look for, they would like say, what different stocks to trade from day to day to day. So you would have to get up early in the morning and scout through all the stocks to see which one's going to work the best. With the NQ, you're going to get some wild movement for the NQ every single day. So literally 90% of the day's trading, you're going to get a trade for the NQ.
One. Husk says one.
One.
All right, final topic for the round table. Here we go. This one is going to be a lightning round. Flash lightning round. 2 minutes. That's it.
Ooh.
That's it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
All right, let's go.
Okay, Pine, kick us off. High risk or low risk? Which one is better?
High risk.
High risk, high reward.
High risk, high reward. Get those big payouts, big numbers. Flash it all over X.
Go buy a Lambo.
Go buy a Lambo. High risk, high reward. Take the risk. Just remember that, sometimes like we went back, just going back to what Huss said earlier, is that the risk to reward on these prop firms can be very good. So if you only spend $100 on an account, and right now 50% off, use code YouTube, and then the potential for a big return on investment is huge.
Huge. Husk, quick.
Me, I'm a big fan of the low risk. I like to risk very minimum. I think it makes you stay in trading a lot longer. I feel like if you come into trading as a high risk, it will steer you away quick because all you're seeing is losses. So to me, I'd rather stay with the low risk. It keeps the trading going for many, many years until you get to that point that you're ready for high risk.
All right, be conservative, stay in the game longer.
Yep.
Tom, high risk or low risk?
Guys, definitely low risk. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. That's it.
Correct.
So that's simple it is. It's a marathon. Go with low risk. You got to stay alive in the market. That's it, period. That's it.
High risk or low risk? Get your money. Just go do it.
No. Take your creatine, drink your protein powder, and let's go. Come on.
Let's go. I think the two, you can't divorce high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward. And you just have to be able to live with it. And also with your budget too, I think. Like everyone has a different budget. If you have, let's say, $10,000 a month budget, like maybe you can just shoot for the moon every single day. Just depends.
You can.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Awesome job, guys.
It was cool.
You know what's next?
I hope Yeah, I knew it.
Quack, quack.
I knew it. Let's go.
Are you guys ready?
Absolutely. We're always
Here
ready.
we go.
Let's
Everyone,
go.
type in one. Go, go, go.
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 Quack, quack.
Here it goes.
Quack, quack.
Gotta be quick.
Quick.
Look at that.
Top 15 wins today.
Ooh.
Quack, quack. Quack.
This is getting really close. I can see that. Oh my gosh. There's the bat duck.
Panda.
I see that.
I see a panda duck.
Panda duck. I love panda ducks.
Quack, quack. Who will win? Top 15 wins. There will be another duck race. Quack, quack.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh,
Look at
who's
that.
this?
The panda duck is right up there. Batman duck is gone. Okay.
I see Son of Wall Street.
All right.
Satish. Oh, Rock. Rock is coming from behind with a hat on.
Look at that. Oh, Rodrigo, look at that dog. That's so cool.
Quick, last 14 seconds.
That's Scotland Yard right there. Look at that.
Make your duck go faster. Who will it be? MFFU forever. Go, go.
There's the Batman duck, everybody. Batman duck is coming up strong. Look at the Batman duck, everybody.
Congrats.
Look at that. Wow.
Congratulations to the top 15 winners. You won a free account from MyFundedFutures. Hang around, you guys. There will be another duck race.
Let's go. Congratulations, everybody.
Congratulations. The Batman duck won.
Oh, yeah. So cool.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We love it. We love
So
it.
what are you guys seeing in the markets right now? I mean, really, it's just I mean, we swept that low and we're pushing up higher right now, but
To be honest, I'd like to see this one go higher. I know it sounds weird, especially after I got hit really hard twice. I'm still seeing this market in a bullish sentiment. I do have a gray area on my chart here. So this is for smart money traders or ICT traders. I'm not really using it, but we had put this on earlier almost every week. So this is the first fair value gap after 9:30 open, which means like there's usually a high possibility that the market is at least going to tag the first presentation gap. So we're kind of heading into that direction. There was a pullback. I think we're going to go higher. And I did mark up that doji candle high at 758. So I'm going to be honest, I might going to switch to a different account and I'm going to just take a stab here and I'm going to jump into a long position. How about that? Actually, I want to do that. I want to have my revenge on the market, Terry. That's what I want to do. So here's my revenge trade. I jumped into a buy with 5 micros. So
I'm actually I'm long on YM. I'm gonna try a long on YM. So.
Ooh.
Okay.
So on YM, does it follow the NQ or the NASDAQ? Like if the YM's going up, does the NASDAQ, kind of like that vice versa, kind of like with the ES, like the NASDAQ likes to follow the ES because the ES is, bigger companies, the 500 best companies. Is it
sometimes. Now I will tell you that this morning it's been moving opposite, but if you see all 3 moving at the same direction and it's basically just following each other, the ES, YM, NASDAQs, especially on a trend day, or so if we're pushing down lower or we're pushing higher and they're all moving together, that is like a very, very strong sign. But no, YM can move completely opposite. It's kind of interesting. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take. I'm just gonna long. I'm basically long at 53,000. My TP is 53.49, and I get a stop at 926.
Cool.
So we'll see.
Oh,
Yeah.
Someone said their duck was fat. ASD says my duck was fat.
How is that possible?
I like that one. That's the best excuse ever.
There will be another duck race shortly, you guys, so stick around. If your duck did not win last time, maybe it will have dieted in time for the next race.
For the next race, for sure.
Actually, I
Might
changed
be
my
faster.
mind. I changed my mind on the take profit. I forgot that I only need 50% consistency, so I'm just going to look for 50% consistency. So negative. Shout out Forex Ike, who's in the chat and going to be on right after us. Looking for a negative R&R right now, I guess. So.
All right.
Who wants
go.
to volunteer to get a duck call from like a sporting goods store?
Oh, I got one.
Like a real
I'm a
one?
redneck.
Oh, that would have been awesome.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Husk. I'm gonna have to
Wednesday.
get one. Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah.
Oh.
I'm definitely a redneck.
I I got some duck hunters in our family, and they all have the duck calls.
Yeah.
Can you do the duck call, Pine? Like, can you do it?
It's been a long time. I used to do a lot of duck hunting, a lot. Then I kind of stopped doing it because I didn't like being cold. So
Being a trainer is so much better.
Yeah. Then I got into doing turkey hunting. I got turkey calls too, but yeah.
Can we hear one?
Ooh! Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
I got slammed on this trade. All right.
Whoa.
Whoa! So
Oh, we made a new low.
that's the unpredictability of the market. Sometimes you just don't know. It did respect my stop, which was nice because it looked like it slipped through, but thankfully it did hit my stop. Lost 390 on that trade, but still up 980 on the account. Ooh. It is what it is. This seems like it's almost the same time as last Friday. I don't know, but
I got destroyed today. I got completely destroyed. Yeah, I definitely, there's some headline. I will check that. But yeah, there was something. Oh, okay. It's not even.
Yeah, my headline's not loading.
Yeah,
does anyone know what
it's
that headline
overloaded.
is?
Yeah, I don't know what it
wow.
is.
It's Baron. Baron is already sold all his positions.
Okay, here we go. Thank you, Jan. Hormuz Strait is open and will remain open with or without Iran. We are reinstating the Iranian blockade, so named because it is only stopping Iran ships or customers from entering or exiting.
Ooh.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Bearish.
All right.
Tom, if you go over to the ES, we swept that one level that we talked about pre-market, that 75, 74, that 4-hour low.
Oh my gosh, look at that
exact spot and just ripped right back up off that.
Look at
so
that.
This might be a good spot for your long to work out if this 4-hour low can hold.
This is it. NQ trolled me too much today. I think it's best for me to walk away after this one. Yeah. No way, I'm not jumping back in. That's it for me. Actually, I almost hitting the maximum loss limit on this account. So no, that's it for me. So I'm down like, I don't know how much. I'm down like 1,400 today on this account. So it's actually got hammered. It got hammered. It's an eval, so don't worry, guys. But I was really hoping that it will push higher. But anyway, what a crazy market, guys. It's disappointing.
Oof.
Yeah.
Oof.
Yeah.
I will say, I think this is the big advantage of rotating accounts.
Yeah.
Because instead of copying everything, I can't tell you guys how many times I've been burned when I copied everything. And then I'm like, oh, this trade just looks so good. It looks so good. And then for whatever reason, it doesn't work. It's like, man, it's instead of having big drawdown in one account, it's like if you copy across the board, if you're not sized correctly for copying across the board, then you can potentially lose all of them.
Oh yeah, it's so dangerous.
That's a 160.5 minute candle at the moment.
Oh my gosh,
it's insane.
Look at that bounce too.
Yeah, 500 has been tagged. 474 is still there on NQ. So yeah, at this point I'm actually clueless because I really have no idea what this one wants to do.
Right, yeah. I mean, it's just, you gotta just, I mean, if you see a nice little setup, you just gotta take your shot and hope for the best, and maybe just scalp and get out. Scalp and get out, because you just never know. If you're trying to intraday swing and stuff with it when there's headlines coming out all the time, it's just so difficult. I mean, you can just throw the statistics and probabilities right out the window with a lot of stuff.
That's true. Well, because I don't know. Well, actually, I know because I was trading a couple of years ago, but it seems like, or it feels like at least, that last year as well, and especially this year, the market is absolutely focusing on the headlines, tweets and news events, not so much on the economical data or stuff like that. But it doesn't really have to be just only Trump. It could be anyone else close to the fire. So it could be someone from Fed or someone. Just one tweet can actually make the whole market go upside down. Somebody even from Iran government tweets out something, the market really goes nuts. So this is the market we live in right now. Yeah.
Is that good or bad? Do you like it or do you hate it?
I don't like it. It's bad. I think it's really bad. It's very unpredictable. This was one reason I was actually thinking that maybe I don't know, because maybe you guys have more experience than that. Because I live in Europe, I don't really have the advantage to trade the Asia sessions. I do need to sleep sometime, but I was thinking, is it even a good idea to sometimes trade the Asia session? Is the Asia session, because we've seen that just this, yesterday evening, because there could be some news even hitting also the Asia session. So what I'm trying to say here is that which one would be the session which is hit less by these kind of news events, because I feel that New York session, especially the AM session, is totally walking on minefield right now because of all these tweets. But is it safe to trade Asia sessions nowadays even? I don't know.
What do you think, Pine?
Well, I think that there's still news coming out all the time, and a lot of times what happens is that we'll get a lot of headline news during New York, but then because that's when Trump is tweeting and all that good stuff, but then during Asia, oftentimes there might be a bomb or something that gets dropped it gets dropped or something like that, and then that's affecting the markets. So it's you got Trump saying one thing in the morning, and then at night something else is happening. So it's just like, so it is wild, and it is tricky. It's tricky to trade. I mean, I lost a lot of money last Friday on a very similar headline that came out. So
yeah, I think you can be very unlucky with some of these news scandals. Like, Tom, you were in a long, I think, right?
Yeah,
Before that news scandal. So that was just unlucky. However, I think over the long run, you can be lucky on the news scandals too, because like you could have been short, and then it's like, oh wow, I fell on the right side of the coin on that one.
And by the way, just a bit of an add-on to that. So yes, one of the main reasons, or actually the main reasons for me by getting hit hard so much are actually two things. One is I should have stopped after the first two trades. So actually I broke my own rule after the first two stops. So instead of blaming the market, I should blame myself in the first place, because I shouldn't have jumped in for the third time. So that's number one. Number two is I still kept my position size on a fairly big contracts. I think I was in with 5 micros. So even if I jump in for the third time, I should have sized down for one or two micros. Should have, would have, could have, I know. But the thing is, I'm trying to say is that the market just did its thing, and I was actually, so the main error on my end was oversizing and more trading more than I should have. So I broke 2 rules there. And this is just, again, unfortunately, I'm the prime example here. This is how easily you can break your own rules and put yourself into a tilt. So you got to be careful with that. Yeah, unfortunately.
And there goes the NASDAQ just eating that candle right back up.
Yeah. We might go back to the 70s now. So
that could be a really good pew trade. Breaking that candle high. Here we go. It's breaking.
This almost feels like a repeat of Friday, where we had the headline come out, and then
it does feel like it. And you know what? I kind of think that, there you go.
There it goes.
There it goes. The first fair value gap or first presentation gap almost got tagged on micro. But again, I do think that I'm going to go crazy, because tell me I'm crazy, I don't care. I think we are going to hit that 758. That 15-minute doji candle, was it the 15-minute? Maybe it was the 5 minutes. 5-minute doji candle that we talked about. I think it's going to get swept, guys. Maybe not in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour, but until 4 p.m., 758 is going to be swept. I'm sure about that, by the way. I don't know why, but my intuition tells me. At this point, I'm just going crazy totally, but it's going to get swept.
It's fine. Everything is going to be just fine.
Everything is going to be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it could be a really nice setup for that reversal trade on the 5-minute orb. The high of the orb is 537 on the full size contract. It's possible. It's
possible. But yeah, this market is so crazy, guys. So crazy.
I saw lots of people commenting that they lost their accounts or they lost their trade
Ooh.
on that news.
Yeah, it's absolutely, it was unpredictable. It's something, this is again a typical move from the market, a typical, the only thing what you can do is proper risk management. And I know I'm smiling here and laughing because, by the way, it's because of you guys, because the vibes are absolutely positive and you guys are amazing. But, you know, inside, I would just break something right now. That's how angry I... Don't break, guys. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. But anyway.
Yeah.
I don't want to say anything, but this market really, really puts me on the tilt, really. Yeah.
Oh, I think
Yeah,
you must be really upset, Tom. If
I
you
am upset, guys. But hey, guys, don't worry. I'm not gonna do anything. I promise. I think I will behave today. Still, it's just kind of amazes me every time when the market does this. It's kind of like shaking everybody out and then moving to the upside. And you know what? Maybe I would even say we're gonna move to that 15-minute zone at 843. Who knows? Anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, headlines like that is very frustrating. But I want to say that, you know, we got real traders on here, MyFundedFutures TV, real emotions,
Oh yeah.
real accounts showing it all. So shout out Tom for throwing on those trades, you know?
Yes, exactly. There's good days and bad days. It happens to everyone.
Exactly.
It's just probabilities. It's going to happen.
It's probabilities, guys. Yeah, but we could go sideways a little bit here. But my bias is gonna stay bullish for the rest of the day. Whatever. Even if we drop 1,000 points, I'm gonna stay bullish. I don't care. It's gonna be bullish.
I'm longing YM here. Same thing. I'm looking to take back that candle. Stops at 845. I am risking quite a bit just because of the size of the candle, but looking for YM to go up as well after that little sweep there.
All
If you get
right.
above that 77s, we should push. I've longed at 75, just looking for a 10-foot push, but we're struggling to get through those 77s.
Husk, we trade alike. We trade alike. So we have only about 2 minutes left of our segment. Last minute thoughts before we head out. Tom?
Well, I just want to say, guys, this is, for me, it's maybe not the brightest day in trading, but it's definitely an awesome day to be here with you guys. I love the roundtable segment, so the vibes are absolutely amazing. So I know it's funny to say, but I enjoyed it for sure. So I love the conversations, I love the ideas, and it just always energizes me to be here with everybody. So thank you so much, and we'll keep on doing this. So thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Pine, last minute thoughts.
I want to say that I love the roundtable as well. I think it's a lot of fun. The time goes by super quick. I love talking to other traders about trading things. I mean, it's pretty much my only opportunity to get to talk to other traders is doing this, because if I try to talk to my friends and family, my regular friends and family, and all I want to do is talk about trading and they don't want to hear about it, they have no idea what's going on. So it's always fun. Shout out to everyone in the back end, and Trevor, Nate, Aaron, Magnus, everyone, Bishek. So yeah, a lot of fun.
Husk?
My favorite thing about the round table is everybody sharing their different ideas. It's kind of like that idea you shared with me last week about the opposite side of the 5-minute candle, which it looks like it's about to possibly pay, even though I'm already long.
Let's go.
I got long at 75, but I'm like,
Nice.
hey, if this works out, it's going to be a big trade.
Let's go.
I like all the different sharing that comes from different traders, because you can take something from each person, put it together. Oh, all these work really well. Let me see if I can add something up and see if this works with my strategy.
Nice.
Thank you, Husk. Thank you, Pine. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, everyone, for joining us this morning. We do have another roundtable on Wednesday. Please welcome Ike and Corey, the phone trader. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good luck, guys.
Corey, My
man.
brother from another mother. What it do, man?
We're back at it. We back at it again. Let's go.
Man. Let's get it, man.
Yeah. How about the market? First of all, thank you for letting me come along with you on this segment and hang out with you today. It's always a great time. So I wanted to thank you for that for sure.
Man, it's like they like us. They really, really like us.
But this market is crazy, right? I mean, look at these moves. Look at these moves here, you know?
So I didn't want no part in that. I was actually getting something to drink and a little snack or something, and I come back. I'm like, what is this?
Exactly. I mean,
Man.
and this kind of like helps me on the way I feel, where I don't want to be in a trade for 20 minutes or 30 minutes or even 10 minutes, right? Like, let's get this money and let's go, right?
That's bananas, man.
Because like imagine you're in a beautiful short on the way down, and then poof. And then you're like, all right, let me go on a buy. Let me get a long. And then poof. Like it's just too easy to get popped the longer you're in the market. So either you got to size down big time or you got to scalp, right? That's what we do.
So I'm thinking about it, man. I just took a trade on this off this 9 EMA on a higher time frame, man, and I lost, but low, man.
Oh man, by a wick. It literally just wicked you out there.
Tell me about it, man. It's like, here we go again.
That hurts.
Ladies and gentlemen, the market makers are here. Let's do
They're
Corey
watching
man.
you.
Man.
They're like, follow Corey, the phone trader, on his sim account. We gotta run that stop.
You see it for yourself, man. I'm like, here we go with the bananas for Mario Kart.
For real.
I'm gonna try again, man.
All right, what are you're getting in another short?
Yeah, not the fact that they did a Mario Kart noise.
Yeah. So today, what I'm gonna try to do right now, let me just show you. I'll share my my Tradeovate screen here with my MyFunded account. So right now, I've got 5 funded accounts here. I've got 3 Rapids, 2 Flexes. Now, when there was that last sale, by the way, code YouTube right now. Oh, and I see your trade's working out right now.
Yeah.
Code YouTube, so you're getting 50% off. I picked up a few more accounts to have a little in the background, just in case I get popped on some crazy Trump candle like that.
Yeah, man.
I got another account waiting in the back. So right now I've got an eval here that's halfway past, right? That's at 1,500 in profit there. So I'm probably going to try to scalp this a little bit more right here and see if I can get this passed, and then maybe start doing some more of these fundeds, which I've already taken a payout on. So that's my plan for today, you know?
Let's go, man. Forex site in the building, getting that money on, man.
Exactly. Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to do a little scalping. I'm gonna mark up my chart, my normal support and resistance like I normally do. Yeah. And then we'll look for a couple scalps coming in, look for some closures above, I'm marking up a 5-minute right here. Let me remove that. How'd that you took your profit on that? Oh
man, no. I was only
okay.
Up
We're in it. You're in it.
I was only about $50. I'm deciding to let it play out. But man, the sale going on, man. I'm finna rack up, man.
Yeah. So that's why I got those accounts right now. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see if I can get a little bit in reserve, so that if I do want to take like a long trade or a trade I don't love, I know if I do blow my funded account, I've got another one right behind it. You can only have 5 at a time funded, but you can have a few past sitting in the background, waiting. If you do fail if you blow one of your fundeds, you got another one to go. So sometimes I take a payout real quick because I'm just like, give me that money. So I might just be up 2,000 and say, let me take 1,000 out. I only have 1,000 to draw down then. You know what I mean? But so if I have 1,000 to draw down, I might say, you know what? Let me try to make a move here, and I know if I blow it, I got another account in my back pocket. So that's my plan there.
So my fault. Go ahead, brother.
No, I was asking you what happened. I just looked at your screen. So
I'm just waiting to see if this thing gonna continue down, man, and then we're gonna ride off into the sunset, man. So I'm waiting, man.
It does look like it. It does look like that.
I lost $100 on that, so I'm trying to see if I can get that back plus more.
See, the thing that's holding me back a little bit on the sell is, for me, we kind of closed above range, and I got a wick fill out here. I might want to, if price pulls back down, I'm going to put a buy stop and see if we can get a little wick fill action over here. Let's see but you see, I wait for price to come to me. I don't want to jump in too early here, because I could be, as we all know, I could be wrong all the time. So this is just a little way to protect me. You know, we're gonna try right here. We're gonna do a buy stop here. I'm putting in a buy stop to fill the wick up. Now let's see how far price comes down, and I might just cancel this.
So I'm going break even, bro. I'm not gonna play around with this.
Yeah, nice.
I'm going break even.
Nice, he took that sell. Nice. Yeah, man. So this weekend, you know, I knew that it was going to be crazy week this week, so I, of course, I'll share my screen here. I took my daughter on a little bike ride around the neighborhood. Stopped at a
man.
Spending some MyFundedFutures money that from the payout I took last week. You know,
the cup. Yeah, man.
I got the cup, my little daughter's bike in the back. So it's like, you know, we're you know, that's the whole point for me of the trading. It's that freedom on the weekends to go do stuff with the family, like go to that restaurant. You know, you go to a restaurant with your family, man, you dropping a couple hundred. It's just like a kid's meal is $18. You know what I mean? So like I'm you know, that's my oh, look at you hitting this TP. I'm gonna close my order because I didn't get filled and price looks like it still wants to go. So
I have not took profit yet. I got it at break even. I'm just waiting for it to at least get to one of those EMAs and then I'm gonna move it.
Nice.
I'm waiting. I'm so locked in. Oh, taking it. See, it went down a little bit more. That's all I wanted, man. So I done made my money back from that last trade. Now let's see what we're gonna do. Oh, chi-chi!
I just got into a quick scalp over there for 4 points. You see over there, quick $75, $80, but then after commissions, it's $75. So you saw I was quick as peas, as they say, but it doesn't matter. Like that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to get caught in a Trump candle, right? I'm not looking for that because it never goes my way. It never goes my way. It's never that I'm caught and all of a sudden I hit crazy TP. It's I'm caught and my account's done. You know what I mean?
It's like, man, I don't know what's getting ready to happen, but the market Core is in a trade. Come on, guys. It happens every single daggone time, man.
Might try to get in, you know, my buy stop from before. If price is rejecting here off these EMAs, the buy stop that I had in there before, I'm not hating on anymore. Like now, right now, I'm like, you know what? Let's see if price does come back up here. Let's see if price does come back up on this. You know, if it closes below here in the next minute, I'm gonna of course cancel this trade. But right now, the way price came down, kind of bouncing off this EMA, if it flips, I could see it just fill that wick. You know, this wick right over here to 724. So let's see. Tyler Trades in the building. I'm looking at the chat. Oh, by the way, chat. You know, there's been some issues in the prop firm space, as you may know. Some firms may have gone under. MyFundedFutures, the only firm doing this, they are committing $300,000 to help the traders because there were so many traders that were like expecting $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 payouts, and just they all got screwed. Which is also why it's so important to go with like a reputable firm like MyFunded. But only MyFunded is put together this initiative to help these funders. So you pretty much, if you were expecting a payout or something like that, you could send in proof. I think there's a Google form on their website, on their Twitter, I mean, and you know, and every time you buy something with code YouTube, that also helps that. So keep that in mind too. But that's something great about MyFundedFutures, you know.
Also, shout out to Mr. Aaron, man. Aaron said, Ike and Corey, choose someone you want to give an account to. I'm just now seeing that.
Okay.
It's tagged on YouTube, man.
Yeah. Oh, I see it. Choose someone you want to give account. Okay. So, how do we do that, right?
Oh,
so,
no, brother.
How about this? The next trade, if whoever wins it, they'll pick whoever. And how they pick it, we'll have to figure that out. So, guys, just wait a second.
All right.
Everyone in the chat, we could chill. Corey's going to take a trade. I'm going to take a trade, and we'll see. Are you still in a trade? No.
I got out, but man, this looked good. But
Yeah,
I
it
didn't
does.
take this. So on the 3 minute, I got that wick feel where it filled the gap, and then I was looking for more selling pressure, but I
Oh,
did
yeah,
not
it's
get in
coming.
this. It would have won, but
Would've won.
I'm
And
waiting.
see here, I'm going to cancel this trade again, but this is why I put the stops, right? Because if I would have bought both times, I would have got smoked both times.
Mhm.
So again, another trade that I'm canceling. And guys, we're gonna soon be. I see everyone. My kids' tuition I need money for. Let's go WW. Don't worry, guys. We are gonna find one, but let's get a trade in or two. Everyone stay cool, and we're gonna pick somebody, right? You know.
Man, I'm so locked in this morning, man. I'm like, yeah, come on.
I'm gonna put
Glued.
putting a little buy limit at the bottom of this candle, a little ICT action, if you will. Looking for just 4 points on this for price to come down, kind of just bounce back up. But let's see, it may not happen. It looks like now we're going back up again. It's like it's trying to tempt me to put that buy stop back. You know, it's making me wanna.
Man.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for a candle closure or something here because I need a little help with direction. I gotta be real. I need some help here.
So what I'm thinking about doing, man, I got 16 seconds left. I was looking for a candle closure like this, and then I'm looking for the market to come retest this red shaded area and then continue down. That's what I'm looking for. We'll see if I can get it, man.
So here, I wanted to show. I got into 2 trades so far on this account. You see down here, I got the. They were both 4-point scalps for $80 each. After commission, it's 150, but that's 150. Oh, you can't see it because of my face is over there, so you can't even see the. Oh, got you. Okay, because my face is covering up the green. I don't know if there's a way to move that, but all right, we'll figure that out. Here, maybe I could put it like that. There we go. Right. So here's the 5 accounts. I didn't realize that my face was covering it up before. This is the account I'm trading right now. This eval. These are the fundeds right here. And yeah, 2 quick scalps over here, ICT, and we're up 150 on this account so far today. And really, when I'm trading funded accounts, that would be it for the day on this account. I'll go jump to the next account now. I just made 150 in a funded. I'm not trying to blow it. Let me go make it again in another funded. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So look here, I'm gonna try another of the same trade I really just did here. Another buy limit on the bottom. So you see. Trying to get in here and get out. I'm in it. Let's see if we can get three in a row here. Let's see. There we go. That's 3 in a row. 3 W's in a row. There's 255 on the day on this account here, and we still just move. We're still just moving.
Man, this market is being stingy.
That's why you got to be in and out like a little squirrel, you know.
Hey, but look how close it was to my entry, man. You see that?
I see that.
Look at this. Like, man, you gonna do me like this again this morning, man?
Let's see what.
A doo.
Caw. They're out there.
Run and sign that form. Y'all better run, man.
Sign the form, guys. And don't worry, you know, it's 10:43. In another 2 minutes, we'll pick a winner. Maybe we'll yell a number. We'll think of a number and see who throws it out, like a number between 1 and 50 or something. You know what I mean? And pick something like that. So let's see what we got. So what are you looking for right now? Any Man, you're in this trade. Are you in this?
No, not yet. I had a limit order set right there, but it missed me by like 5 ticks, man. So now the market just keeps selling off. I got 29 minutes left. We got a candle that is breaking below this wick. So I'm looking for it to finish in this green area, then come retap my red shaded area and continue down again.
Get back in. Love that. Love the retest. You know what I mean? Like sometimes it runs without you, but the times that it doesn't, it really saves you. You know what I mean? So
yeah, man.
Love that retest.
So okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm getting ready to get in, dog. So this is my funded account, man. I'm getting ready to take a $100 trade on this. If it come feel me. Look, it's doing it to me again, man.
It's running without you. Wait up. Corey's coming.
Hey, player, wait for me. I ain't got no air in the tire right now, man. Let me air up the tire. Look, it did it to me again, man.
Yeah, it's a new candle. So normally for me on a new 5-minute candle, I'm gonna wait at least like 2.5 minutes into the candle before I do anything. Because you know sometimes a candle will just shoot 25 points one way and then flip back the other. It's like, I don't have time for that nonsense. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Man, I'm finna take this up. We're gonna raise 200 on this, man. If it come back, look at this, man.
So Corey, what do you think? You want to pick a number? Pick a number and we'll ask the chat to call it. And when you see it out, then you call out that person and Aaron will hook them up.
Yeah. So who gonna choose it? Me or you?
You pick a number between, like, I guess, like, we got a bunch of people here. We want to make sure we don't get, people picking 50 numbers. Maybe like pick a number between 1 and 75, and whoever gets it first when you see it, call them out, right? Let's see.
All right. I got
Everybody,
a number in my
between
head.
1 and 75. Let's go.
1 and 75. I got it in my head, man.
Shoot them out, guys.
Oh, already. Oh,
Wow.
dang, that
All
was
right.
fast. Golly.
Whoa.
PRASH.FX7.
Damn those numbers.
My number was 7, man, and he got it already.
Boom. He knew it.
Whoever
All right.
that guy is, man.
All right, guys. I'm sure we'll do this again. That was fun. I like seeing all these numbers flying. That was fun. We'll try this again.
Parash
Crash
FX7.
FX7. Yeah.
Parash FX7. He got it. Yep.
Oh, it looks like you're getting your retest right now.
Yep, I sure am. So I'm getting ready to go in for a $200 trade. What I'm waiting for is to come back down so I can put it back in. Well, I didn't take the trade yet, so I'm waiting to see me get some selling pressure. Then I'm gonna get in. This in my funded account, man. We'll see. But we did.
I'm also looking for a short here. I'm just trying to see if price could come a little bit higher up before we get into it.
All right, I'm in.
Go. Let's go.
We'll see, man. You're gonna do me dirty again.
Man, look at that. They're watching.
Ali, boy.
Market makers, turn away. There's another channel of why. We're busy here. We're trying to make some money here. Come on, market makers.
Hey, man. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Come on, Craig.
I'm sure there's something going on with the Strait of Hormuz right now. Just leave us alone. Let us trade in peace, market makers.
Dang. This finna be
wow. It's a wild candle, man. These candles are just wild.
Ooh-wee. I feel like this right now, y'all, man. Golly, bro.
Oh man, like you just got run over by a car.
Man.
All right, I'm gonna try to do another sell limit right at the top of this candle as another Ike CT. See if I can get in and out in 2 seconds. Look at that. And that's another beautiful thing about MyFundedFutures. Yeah, I'll share this at the show. Up $300 right now so far on these 4 trades. Another thing which really MyFundedFutures is incredible for, they don't care if your trade lasts a quarter of a second like it just did. Yeah. They just want to make sure you're not doing something crazy where you're trying to scalp a quarter of a point and manipulate something. You know what I mean? So they're just saying, get 4 points. We don't care if it takes you an hour or a millisecond, but 4 points is our minimum for micro scalping. So what's my rule? 4 points. So 4 points, 3 trades, up $300. And like I said, if this was one of my funded accounts, I'd be jumping to the next account, right? Let's just, and I would just go boop, 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 one to the other. And then let's say I do hit a snag here because my stop loss is 750, right? It's a big stop loss. If I do hit a snag, I might have hurt one of my accounts, but my other 4 or 5 or however many funded accounts I have, those should all be nicely green. You know what I mean? So that's really the bottom line I'm looking at is my bank account P&L, not my sim P&L. Are you in another one?
I'm in another one, man.
Let's go. There we go. Yeah, this push is like a real push.
There we go. Come on.
There we go. There we go.
Come to Papa.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
I'm looking for a 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get there.
I'll smoke my bubble cigar while I watch this.
I'm looking for that 1-to-1. I'm looking for the $200 trade.
Let's go. So close again over there. See, in my support and resistance, this line I drew up before, it's let me switch this. Right, sure. The line I drew up before, so magically price comes to it and then reacts, right? Like that's the whole support and resistance. We're just hoping that price keeps doing what it did before. It has a reaction, and then we find a way to capitalize. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Come
man.
On. Oh, what? Don't.
Are we going to do this for real?
Don't do it. No. That's unacceptable. Hold on, let me make a call. Hey, market maker, I know, we're all having fun. I know we're playing games here, but for real, all right, we're on stream here. There's like 500 people watching. You're making me feel weird. This is embarrassing for everybody here. Let's just run this up so that chat can be happy.
Hey, I'm finna turn into Debo from Friday.
That's it. Snap
Mark,
the chain.
give me your chain.
We are
Give
not
me your
playing.
chain.
We're not playing.
Look at
Turn
this,
it around.
boy.
Turn it around.
Give me your chain.
There we go.
Give
You
me
gotta
your
get the
lunch
cross-eyed.
money.
You gotta get the eyes going.
Give
Let's
me
go.
your snacks. I want it all.
All right, that come on. Thank you. See, you know when I call,
Man,
come on, we're so close there. Do
Ike
it.
make that phone call, man.
I made the
Hey,
phone
talk
call.
to him some more, man.
Come on, look, I didn't mean to come across so rude to you guys. I know you guys are just doing your thing, but for real, come on, we're trading here. Like, let us hit this. You really you wicked it a millipoint. That's like a 0.25 of a point.
That's crazy.
You can't give me that. Come on.
Ooh-wee.
Well, if he makes a decision, put him on the phone. I'll talk to him then. Well, put him on.
Oh my God.
What do you mean he's watching Love Island? Watching Love Island. The
This
market's
is
open.
bananas, man.
Tell him to give me a call. I gotta go. Tell him to give me a call. I'm gonna write a review about you guys. I'm talking. Man, it's hard.
I'm gonna
it's
wait
hard.
it out. I'm
Yeah.
gonna wait it out, man. We're
Let's
gonna
do it.
see.
I mean, I still like it. I mean, what? That's just crazy.
I
Like,
actually want to make my TP go higher, but man, we touched that 200 EMA.
if I didn't see that in real life, I wouldn't have believed that happened.
That's
Like,
crazy.
It's there are some days where almost every trade you take, you feel like you're part of the market and it's working with you, and then there are some days where you're like, these guys are just out to get me.
Hey, y'all, hold up. I'm gonna do a walk, man.
I gotta have a smoke after that one. I mean, that's on that
Hey.
you know that.
All right, I feel better, bro.
Right. Hey, no rear view mirror. That's it. No rear view mirror.
Oh my gosh,
we're
man.
Damn, it doesn't hurt taking the loss. It hurts being that close to getting your TP and then it just turns around. That's the part that hurts,
That's
Like-
funny. Hey,
like-
y'all see how close it was, man? Hey,
Yeah,
if
right.
I was on my own stream, man, I'd be going crazy. But I'm trying to be professional.
Of course, of course.
Golly, dog.
It's hard to be professional when market does these crazy
Man,
things. I mean, you've seen
dude.
Tom in the last segment. Tom was in a trade doing well, and then all of a sudden that big red candle just came and just wiped him right out, like out of nowhere. He was like,
That's facts.
"Bah!"
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Go on, hit it. Fire!
All right, we're still going. We're still going. We got time. We're still going.
Hey, man, we having fun, man. It's
We're
all
having
good.
fun, exactly. So are you so you're picking up some of these new 50% off to get a little stash going over here on this.
So I
Right.
plan on. I got a MyFundedFutures 50K Pro eval. I also have a MyFundedFutures 25K rapid funded account. I plan on getting me another Pro and another 25K rapid eval. Man, I'm gonna get two of the same thing. That's
Yeah.
too good right there. I
Yeah,
got
that
to
50%
capitalize on
off.
that.
Yeah. See, normally I don't go for the Pro because, like, look, I get the Pro if you want to run up a bag and cash out and run. I'm like, I don't have such high hopes for myself. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, man.
I'm not running up a bag like Pine and Terry did with 30 and 50K. I'm not running that bag up, bro. As soon as my bag gets to 5K, 3K, 1K, I'm taking it. I am taking. I'm not too good for that. So
I can't just let it I can't, bro.
I can't.
I keep telling myself like, yeah, we're gonna do it big, man. We're gonna grow it. And the first time I see that mother payout eligible, I'm like, no, snatch, give it here. I want
Exactly.
it. I got
Now
to,
it's
brother.
easier to run up a bag when you have like some extra past
Mhm.
evals in your back pocket, right? Because then you can say, you know
Facts.
what? I'm gonna take a chance here. If I blow this account, I know I got another one right behind it, ready to go. I'm not like having to go past another eval or anything. So it also gives you that extra confidence and freedom to say, you know what, I can afford to take an L here or hold a winning trade if I want to, because I know I've got a backup funded. So it's not like I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I don't run up bags, man. I just don't. So it's like the pro plan is great, and it's so tempting all the time for me because of that. But know thyself, right? That's why there's so many different plans, because different plans for different traders who trade different ways, right? Like I'm not him. I am not that guy. I'll tell you that right now. You know, I am not him. I'm a little squirrel just walking by. No one minds me. No one bothers me. I get my nuts, come home, feeling good, feeding the family, and I go back out the next day. That's it. I'm not trying to be the king over here. You know what I mean?
Funny. Yeah, I got you, brother. That's what's up, man.
So what about you on the weekend? Do you do anything, visit anyone? I know you went to Ohio the other week, right? Visit the family.
Just this past weekend, man. So I do a lot of community stuff, man. Like every second or fourth Sunday, man. Actually, my church, we go up to Nashville, go get a bunch of food, and we just give it all back out to the community, man.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Man, we'll go grab out like 8 or 9 pallets full of stuff and give it all back out, brother. I mean, the economy is hitting.
Yeah. Man, I'll tell you, I'm thankful for the world that there are people like you out there, because as much as I want to be a bit, do all this stuff, it's like, maybe I'm just a little too selfish. I don't know. Maybe I'm too old. I don't know. But I support and I love seeing it. But that's why I'm happy when I see people doing this in charity and stuff. I'm like, thank God someone's doing it, because I'm not doing it, so thank God, man. So, you're really making a difference, and I'm sure so many people's lives doing that stuff.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful thing to hear,
Appreciate it, man.
Thing. So let's see. So now we're coming down to the hour. I'm scared of every big candle, right? I'm scared of the half-hour candle, the hourly candle, the open candle.
Mm-hmm.
So at the hour now, I'm gonna just sit and wait for another 5 minutes or so, or see what we can get cooking over here. What do you see going? Are you waiting on?
I'm waiting like you, man. I done took two L's. That one killed me, bro. It had to do me like that, though.
That was those L's hurt more than the money, than losing that money, just because of how close they were both ways. First, they super close to a stop out by 1 tick, and then close to the TP by 1 tick. Bruh.
It is what it is, man.
It is what it is.
We're just gonna do it again, man.
We have those days where we get TP by a tick and it flips the other way, right? So that happens too. Not often enough, but but it does happen. It does happen.
So I'ma just wait, man. I was looking for a buy in this area. Man, if I look on a 5-minute, we do have a little small trend line, man, but I don't know what's gonna happen with that, man. I'ma wait.
Yeah, just because it's the hourly, I'm gonna wait too. But if you see what we got going on, I'm on the 5-minute, it's like barcodes, and we're really, we drew this out. We drew this out over here before any of these prices came down here, and look, price respected each time.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom. So this is the support and resistance, which is so simple that people believe it can't be true. It's too simple. It can't be. Just like you can't lose weight if you only exercise and work out. It's too simple. You got to have macros. You got to do shakes. You got to do all types of measure stuff. No, man, you just need to work out and eat healthy. You'll lose weight. You know what I mean? It's simple is sometimes the best answer, but us humans like to complicate stuff, right?
As usual.
So is that are you have a buy sitting there now? If price keeps coming up?
I'm thinking about it, man. I'm just waiting to see. Hopefully it just consolidate for a little while. See, look at that. You see that? It couldn't wait until the 10 a.m. candle.
You drew it up, and as soon as you drew it up, they're like, all right, make it run. Run it. They're like, run it. You drew it up, run it before he gets in, run it.
Golly, man. I didn't even get in because I was waiting until it hit 10 a.m. and it decided to go without me. Whoo-wee, boy, I'm getting cooked, rotisserie on the grill with extra seasoning. With some marinara.
Yeah, man. Look, anytime you see candles like this, it's a rough market, man. This is which is also why I scalp. It's I'm too scared. I'm too scared to hold the trade. I don't mind being called scared if I keep getting payouts. I'm the scared guy who gets payouts. I'm scared to hold the trade for too long because these candles will knock me out, man.
Just never know, man. That's why I do the same thing, brother. Shout
Yeah.
out to you, man.
No,
Cause
we trade the same way. I see it all the
man,
time.
there's no way I could hold an hour trade no more. There
No.
ain't no way. I can't do that. I don't have the patience for it.
Look at
I'm like Fast and Furious, man.
Exactly.
What? Say what?
Exactly.
Where he at? What happened? It happened so fast.
Yeah, because and the way I trade, same thing. You see today, scalp, quick 300. I would be done. There's nothing like, what do I need more on it? Like, how crazy am I trying to get? Right? I'm like, I would be done here on a funded, but since we're on an eval, we're gonna keep it moving and then switch to the next one. But
Facts.
yeah. I you and I, we have a lot of the same trading. We're seeing the rejection areas we like, levels we like, and how quick we're in and out there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I'm open to another ICT here. This a scalp in another about minute. I want to wait till about 2.5 minutes go by in the 5-minute candle. About 2 minutes went by so far, so I'm just gonna let this breathe a bit. See where we go. See how we go. Let's see. Keep it up like this.
Yeah, I gotta wait. I can't do nothing yet, man.
So what days do you stream on your own channel? I stopped by the other week. I saw you streaming. I stopped by.
Hey, shout out to you, man. That was like, oh, Forex site is in the building.
No, for sure. I love
like,
it.
yeah, man. Appreciate that, man. I normally stream every day at 9:30 to about lunch. But when I'm streaming on MyFundedFutures, I do MyFundedFutures streaming. Then I stream on my YouTube channel right after that. Like maybe 30 minutes.
You're all set up. You're in the zone.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to grow, man. You know what I'm saying? Just be real with the people. Just be honest. You know what I'm saying, man?
I mean, I think that's what everyone wants to see, because everyone faces the same challenges and feelings and emotions and has to fight the same demons, kind of, where they want the money, they want to take the money, they want to be a good trader. You know what I'm saying? So when you're keeping it real and showing wins and losses and talking through the emotions, like, I think it resonates with everybody, because everyone has felt that, right? Everyone knows exactly what you're going through and goes through it. And sometimes people are too, like, they don't want to admit it, but then when they hear other people talking about it, they're like, this isn't just me. We're all traders. We're all trying to figure this out. We're all trying to make some money in the market, and there's a million ways to do it, right?
That is facts, brother. You got a good point, man.
Yeah. I think we got a duck race that we'll be doing in a little bit too. So
yeah, we should be doing one at 11:15, I think.
See, I would like to do an ICT here. I just got to see how this candle moves. I'm not liking the no wick on the bottom. You know what I mean? Let's see. See if I could try a little something here. A little buy limit on the bottom to just kind of to make a little wick. You know how sometimes like price goes like this, you're like, oh, it's gonna go short, and then all of a sudden you get into a sell here and it flips right back up. That's what I'm hoping to do, but on the other side, I'm hoping price goes down and it flips right back up here. So let's see if we can catch another one here. I'm gonna let this sit for a bit. Maybe even put a sell. Well, let's see where price goes. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can get in it. Out. Look at that. That's 5. And look how quick that is, right? You couldn't even breathe. I couldn't even breathe. I couldn't even say anything. We're at
That's what's up, man.
Here we go. Let me share this tab. 376. So now we're at 376 over here in the 35 minutes or so we've been trading.
He's on fire.
ICT, bro. These are the ICT. My support and resistance are longer trades usually. By longer, I still mean like 5 minutes. Nothing crazy. But they're bigger moves. They're wick fills. They're closures above with the run up. My ICT, they're like, hey, we got a candle that's doing a little stuttering. I'll catch it and get out of the other. I'm looking for the stutter. Gotcha. Gotcha. One more time. So that's how we do it. That's the whole theory behind my ICT.
So I'm looking for a retest if it come back to this area. So we finally broke that trend line, but we got a gap fill on the 5-minute time frame. I'm looking forward to come tap and possibly go back up again to fill some of this wick back up.
I love it because we got that big wick fill. So if price comes down to about the 696 area where I have my support, or even close to that, and then flips bullish, to me, that should say we're filling that wick all the way up. But yeah, I would want price just like you to come down a bit and test it, and then flip back up. So let's see. But yeah, I'm looking at a very similar thing as you. Like I'm not putting in the order yet for the trade, but this is kind of the trade I'm looking at on my screen, something like that.
You see my screen, Forex site?
Yep,
Look here. Look
at that. Ah! I mean, I wouldn't believe it if I'm not watching it. If I wasn't watching this, I'd be like, come on, man. Like, yeah. I'd be like, come on, like, sure. I'm like, you didn't get 2 or you didn't get 3 like that.
Yo, man, what is going on today, bro?
See, I didn't get in this trade because I wanted a little bit lower of a retest here. Dude, that is the craziest.
Hey.
See, we both wanted a little bit more of a retest, but you needed like not even, you can't even measure that. That's like what's less than 0.
I can't make this up today, dog.
I can't even measure that. It's like,
hey, chat. Look how dirty I'm getting done, man. Y'all see the wick? It didn't even hit my my limit order. Look how close it was, man. Man.
That's just not fair. That's
golly. Hey, this is entertaining for real.
Well,
Looney Tunes.
I don't feel entertained. I feel I'm like who's messing with us right here? You think I was too mean on the phone call I made? Maybe I was too mean, and now they're like, that's it.
Hey, they was like, hey, okay, Forex site on the he on it. We're gonna help him out just a little bit. Psych,
exactly. I'll put on my unk hat so I'm in disguise over here. They can't see me.
Oh, I got back in. I didn't even know.
Oh, you're in it now.
In my mouth. Didn't even know.
I'm gonna do a little buy stop if price does turn around, like I hope, like we all hope it will, and I'm gonna join you in that trade if price turns around.
I'm holding this. I ain't moving nothing else. You got to hit TP for me, buddy.
Let's see. This is gonna be my first non-ICT trade if it gets triggered. What we got? Another, like, if it doesn't get activated though in the next minute, or if we keep pushing, then I'm gonna cancel this. Let's see. It's respecting support. It's respecting my support, so I do like that. We're not closing below. It's respecting support here. Let's get a flip all the way up to 750 and call it a day over here, right?
I feel like Cyclops. If I could, if I had the eye power, I'd go.
Right. Let's see what we do. All right.
Hey, you killing it today, though, brother. Let's go, though, man.
Let's see if we can catch one of my support and resistance trades. Because see, here's what ended up happening with me with ICT, right? Like I like most people, I like trading where you can see a level, pick it, it goes that way, you win, you feel like you figured stuff out, you're smart. It feels good to trade that way, right? Like when you're winning. But with ICT, I don't get any of that good feeling. I just get paid. So I started shifting more to the just get paid rather than feel like, oh, I'm going to be right, I'm going to be wrong, or something like, more of like the predicting the market, you could say, because ICT isn't predicting the market at all. It's really just messing with a candle, believing that a candle breathes. It pushes up, pulls back, pushes up, pulls back. It's just really just messing with the breathing of a candle. I'm not really predicting where price is going long term, which doesn't feel good as like making me feel like I know, like I'm a good trader, you could say. But the payouts don't lie. If I'm stacking payouts, forget feeling smart. Let me feel paid. I don't need to feel smart. You know what I mean?
That's what's up, man. I'm finna close this out, bro.
I
closed it out. It ain't looking good, man.
Yeah, it's
we ain't looking good, man.
Rough, man. This was a rough.
Hey, man, shoot. Hey, you're getting a little bit of entertainment out of it, though. Man.
You know what? I think every trader here has felt not like this 3 in a row, 4 in a row, but I think every trader has felt this that they're literally being watched. Like they're like, it can't be. It can't be.
That's all. Oh,
shoot.
Here we go.
Does that mean there's a duck race coming?
Yeah, it's coming. The duck race should be coming. I think they did the form already.
Quack quack.
Quackity quack quack quack.
Yeah, I took my kids to see Moana motion picture movie, the action movie now with The Rock
We
this
plan
weekend.
on going to see it too. Yeah.
Great. It was great.
That's
Bro,
what's
why
up.
now prices put oh my, don't even look. Don't even look.
I'm not
Don't look.
up for excited. I'm trying not
Don't
to.
look.
Just,
Just
what's going on, bro?
Why don't we switch to YM? Why don't we switch to gold?
Yeah, hold on,
Let's
man.
just switch to gold today.
Hey, let
Don't
me
even
dance,
look.
man. We got the duck race.
Oh, we got the duck race. We got the duck race.
Hey.
Oh, I got the.
Hey.
We got the unicorn hat. Let's go. All right, who we got? Who we got in first? We got Actually Cold coming up first. Maz, it's coming up down. Tribeca. Who's coming up first? Oh, we got Actually Cold moving in. Nashu 12 coming in. Neo Laki coming up then. Then we got Johnny Golly. Nashu.
Who we got?
Who is that? Hawk Trader. Oh, we got Spaceman's Joshi Sushi coming up. Oh, who's coming up to that juice bag? The juice bag moving in over there. Then we got Rick Francis, TP2 coming. Smoke trades. Oh, screw the Bears. Smoke trades. Screw the Bears. Smoke trades. Who's it going to be? We got NPK.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, boy. Who's coming up? Day trade Tom trying to
Screw
make
the Bears.
Uh-oh. Just getting screwed. Beatrice making a move. Oh, who's coming
Last
up?
home stretch. The last home stretch. Who got it?
I'm not even going to try to read that. What's that? Cocarito.
Shout out to whoever that was.
Wow.
Congratulations, man. I don't
Wow.
even know how you pronounce that.
Yeah, I'm not going to try again.
Yeah. Well, that
Oh
was good,
man. All right, so let's see where we're going. Yeah, it is looking still like a short. So look, even if you held that trade before, not that it matters, but even if you held it, it would have flipped right back down, it looks like.
It did. It flipped right back down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So right now I'm waiting on kind of like a let's see. Maybe we could do another little Ike CT over here. I'm gonna throw in another right here for a quick 4 points if we get filled. Otherwise, let's see if we close back above. Because you know me and these wicks, man. I see these big wicks here. I just got my eye on them. I'm like they're coming. See this wick over here, the 1030 wick. I wanted to fill it before, and I had the buy stop, but my buy stop never got filled. Right. Then it finally went up, but now I'm seeing more wicks. But we are closing below the range. Maybe this isn't the best trade to get into. Let's see.
I gotta wait. I can't take nothing, man. I gotta wait.
I didn't love that one. Let's see. Get out here. There we go. That's number 6.
You got 6 dubs.
6 dubs. All Ike CT. So,
Getting it today, boy.
So here you go. There's 450 when I switch to this side. So 6 trades at 4 points a trade. So 6 times 4, that's 24 points. So some people catch a 24-point trade. Some people take 6 trades for 4 points. You know what I mean? It's the P&L is the same. The P&L is the same. Maybe I pay a little more commission, I guess. But
hey man, you over there? Hey man, let me try to ride off the wave, man. I'm gonna try. Hold on, man.
Can I right click here and send you some money on this one? Like, let me send a little because the way the market's doing you today is like I still don't believe it. I feel like could that be? Is that real? So let's see.
I'm gonna try to ride off the wave, man. Shoot, you getting it? Hey man, I'm gonna try to go in right here. I'm gonna try to go in for a sale.
Okay.
Right now,
look, we
I
close
like
below.
the sale. Yeah.
We close below, tested up, then close back below. So I mean, to me, this what does that say?
I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a trade. I'm in for a sale. We're gonna see.
Yeah, listen, I got a lovely target down here for you of 29630 or so. That's
so far so good.
Let's go. I think you go to 29630 even, but let's see. You know me, I wouldn't hold it that long. I'm just saying that's my next bounce area.
I'm looking for it to come around these wicks, man. I'm hoping it come around these wicks, and on the way down, it's gonna give me my profit. We are 130. Come on, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Elizabeth.
Come on.
Oh, my chest, Elizabeth. Oh, goodness.
Can you put someone else on the phone here? I gotta talk to someone in charge because you know, let's just get a nice push all the way down to like 650. All right, one big boom. You know, so big of a push that to get Corey out, he ends up getting out at 640 because it was such a big push. You know, 650 was too much. Okay, you know what? I'll get off the phone. I'll let you guys do your thing. I see price start moving the other way. I'm like, let me.
Hey, I was gonna be like, hey man, do y'all hear him on the phone? Come on,
right?
man.
Come on.
Don't y'all hear him?
Telling you, I'm gonna write a very nasty email when we're done here. I'm about to jump on Yelp and write a really nasty review of NQ today.
Ooh-wee,
you know, NQ usually has we usually have a great time here on NQ, but today there was something off. We kept getting ignored. We kept getting like picked on. You know, I'm gonna leave a review here because this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. You know?
Hey, I'm like speechless over it. That's very rare. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. I'm still liking the shorts. I gotta say, I'm still liking the shorts.
I am too. I'm gonna hold it, man. It's either gonna get there or it's not, brother.
Yeah. So look, price could come back up, maybe test 695-ish area. That's where I have my next support at.
Okay.
695. So obviously, hopefully not. Hopefully it just flips down, but you know, let's see. Maybe I'm tempted to get into a short too over here because I'm just liking it.
Look good. It's just will the market be petty?
Yeah, exactly. Come on, let's see.
We're gonna wait it out. Do you see my TP? Say TP.
Got like a tickle me Elmo
Swiper no, man. Swiper no swiping.
No swiping.
Man.
Backpack.
It's finna send me home with a backpack. It's done. Woo,
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Mama said there'd be days like this.
Oh my gosh. Mama said there'd be days like this that I'll get cooked like this. Mama said.
Let's see. I might get into I placed another Ike CT out. We'll see if if it happens. It's also for a sell, but at the top of the candle. Dude, oh my goodness, dude. It better go up from here because I can't look at that.
I feel it coming. I feel it coming, Forex. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. Look at this, man. I'm just waiting to see what this thing is gonna do. Woo-wee!
Wow.
It's all fun, man. I'm really not tripping, but dang.
Yeah, it's not, you know, when things like this happen, it's not about the money, really. It's about like, are you joking? It's more about like, are you just joking with me? Like,
hey, player, it's the principle, man.
Let me close this. So I had an order out, but it didn't get filled, so I'm canceling it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Corey the phone trader decides to take a trade today. He's not going to be making millions and billions. He's going to lose money. Thank you. Signing out, Donald Trump.
Little does he know he's being watched by the market maker.
Oh my gosh. Hey, the market's literally, man, Mortal Kombat me today.
I know. Nice.
Get over here.
For real.
You got any other trades going on, brother?
I put in a sell limit right here at the top of this candle here. So let's see. I might get put into it. We'll see. Let's see. We're testing support. Let's see. It's my second time trying to get in this trade, but price just didn't come up high enough. Okay. We'll see. I mean, I gotta say, I'm still liking the sell, but you know, sometimes when you like something, you're like, wait, I often like trades that I lose, so maybe I shouldn't like it. Maybe I should be looking for something I don't like. Yeah.
Maybe I should just go against my own rules.
Right.
Psych, nope.
Nope.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, we can't forget. You can't forget what got
Yeah.
us here. You know what I mean? Like the same things that got us to payouts are the same thing that will keep getting us to payouts. And you know, sometimes we end up getting comfortable. It's just like, you know, it's like if you're behind in a race and you run, you catch up, and then you kind of like, okay, I caught up, and then you start slowing back down again. It's like you got to just stay with the same pace, same idea, same movement, move the same way, and just, you know, that's what got us here. So we trust it will keep coming, you know.
Hey, somebody in the chat, P Long 9630 said, almost fell out of my chair laughing at the Mortal Kombat comment. It's real, dog. It's like this cat was just looking and went, get over here.
Fatality.
Flawless victory. Fatality. It is what it is, man.
It is what it is.
Hey, this was definitely the laugh and trade segment today. My boy Ike eating it up, and then I'm just getting killed like pancakes and eggs and grits and bacon, man.
Oh, man. Let's see. Might cancel this trade. Oh, let's see if I almost got in there. Oh man, missed it. They're trying to do me like you right now. Yeah. Oh wait, now they got me in.
You looking for that sale? Right?
There we go. That's
got it
7.
again, boy.
That's number 7.
Hey, you like my boy over here?
Hello,
man.
Hello,
Woo!
Hello, anybody? Oh.
That man is getting it, boy. Got him. Got him.
It's the Ike CT.
Let's
Ike
go,
CT.
baby. Let's go, Ike.
There you go. That was 7 trades in 45 minutes. Let me switch to this tab. So that's 527 on that on the day on these. Now, you know, this is the eval, like I said, but this is how I trade my fundeds too. It's the same deal, you know. But
money making Ike over here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.
Trying.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, Ike CT, everyone in the chat. You know, that I wanted to come up with a name for my for how I trade that nothing sounds like it, you know. So Ike CT, there's nothing else like that sounds similar to Ike CT in the trading world, right? Like Ike CT, like that's it. So I figured that's so different, I'll go with that. So that's what I named it.
That's what's up, brother.
Ike CT, exactly. So let's see. Yeah, so it's 11:23 here. Now price is gonna maybe go fill this wick. So same deal. I'm still waiting. I'm still looking. See if we can still catch a little something here, because I do love these wick fills. I do love these wick fills.
I'm so jacked up over here. It's like, man, if I get in, it's just gonna be like, nope, not today.
It's like I gotta do the like what's that called from Men in Black? Just erase your memory, forget every.
Oh man, hey, go and put them shades on, man. Help me out, man.
All right, let's
go and bring it out, man. Come on, man.
Corey, please look at me.
Okay, I'm looking.
All right, so hey, it's 10:30 a.m. right now. We're about to sit down.
What's up, man?
Good to see you again.
Hey, man.
10:30. You know, they told us today we'll just have like a 5-minute show, so it's only gonna be for another 5 minutes. But hey, welcome. You know, thank you for having me,
brother.
And yeah, we're starting fresh right now. We just starting fresh.
Okay. I don't see nothing right now, but I'm gonna just chill, brother. I appreciate it, Forex site, man.
Of course. Hey, you know, it's always fun hanging with you, man.
Hey, man, how many trades did you take today, man?
You know, I took 7 trades earlier, little ICT scalping. You know, I know you didn't take anything yet. But you know,
okay.
Let's see what's out there. It is a crazy market, so I'm saying, you know, like we're gonna see. Let's hope something comes up. But if not, we'll catch it again later, right? The market's always here for us, right?
That's what's up, man. Hey, that was dope.
If only it was that easy, right?
Yeah, man, that was tight, man.
Yeah, well, I want to remind everyone to code YouTube right now. We're 50% off on MyFundedFutures on all the good plans, the Rapid, the Builder, the Pro, I think. Also, Corey is streaming live right after this, so make sure you check out his YouTube channel, right? He's streaming live. Funny AF over there. I stopped in last week. I was cracking up watching him, so definitely check him out if you're watching this and looking
Appreciate
for
it, brother.
the show for sure.
Thank you for the support, man. And y'all support my brother as well, man. Forex site with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7
That's
phone
it.
over there doing big things.
Doing it. You know that
Yeah.
Ninja Trader app on the Samsung Galaxy on the Samsung Ninja Trader app is actually a pretty fire app. It's really good. It's easy. Brackets are in there already. If you need, like, you know how I like to have my 4-point take profit or wherever my take profit will be, you could build that in there. It's a very fluent app to use, and it doesn't lag a little bit. Like, you know how Trading View kind of has a little bit of a lag to it.
Yeah.
So Ninja Trader app doesn't. So everyone, you know, and all of MyFundedFutures things we could put you, if you buy a Tradeovate, you can use that with Ninja Trader. So same login credentials as Tradeovate on the Ninja Trader app. I think everyone who uses it would love it. It's a great, and it moves really real time. Like the candle's looking great. So definitely download it. Like I'm a big fan of it. See if I can pull it up real quick on my phone.
I like the sound of that, man.
But yeah, I recommend it. You know, I'm not a big app recommender, but you know, let's see. Ninja Trader. But yeah, so any Tradeovate account that you have, let's see if it shows, but
oh, I see it a little bit.
Yeah, does it show? So it's like you can put in your orders down there. I mean, it's just super easy to use, very intuitive. So I recommend it anyone who's looking for a way to trade on their phone, you know.
That sound mobile friendly right there, man.
Yep. And it looks beautiful on our Samsung, so.
Yeah, man. I don't know whether y'all know or not, but man, me and Ike got the same phone. That's how you know we brothers for real. We got the same phone, man.
Same phone, same trading style, you know. Brothers from other mothers right here.
Man, we both lit.
We're both lit, keeping it real.
Crazy. Man. That's what's up, man.
So let's see. I mean, I would like to take another trade here, but in reality, it's almost 11:30.
Yeah.
So chances of me catching one on a 30-minute candle, you know, I'm scared of those. Like you got to know yourself, right? I know I'm scared of holding trades. I know I'm scared of big candles. I know I want to stay away from volatile times. So I trade that way. Like you don't need to push yourself to do something that doesn't really work for you, you know, right? That's the real thing about trading is find out your way to trade, you know?
I think I'm gonna just go outside in a muscle shirt, some shorts, no shoes, and just run down in this field over here in this grass and just, you know what I'm saying?
Woosah, become one with nature. That's
man, I'm rice.
That's it.
We got 2 more minutes, y'all.
I mean, for anybody watching, since we're ending the stream soon and looking for like a trade or my trade idea, I do kind of like price to keep going up, at least until like 780-ish. So pretty much like another 60 points or so. I do like that. I wouldn't just buy. I'd put a buy stop similar to like this, but I'm not getting in that right now. But I like this wick getting filled. I like this support getting tested or resistance getting tested. So if you guys are looking for a trade or just want my idea, you know, not financial advice, of course, this is something I'm looking at as we're going into the 11:30 time, 11:30 candle. You know what I mean?
A lot of people saying or asking, is this the last, why are we closing the stream? Everybody saying goodbye. So after us, that's it, y'all. That's going to be the end of the stream, y'all, man.
Yeah, today, we tried a few different things here, right? So.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys had a good stream today, man. My boy ate it up today, man. We all laughs, man. It's the Laugh and Trade segment today, man. Exactly. Appreciate streaming with brother as usual.
Always. And anytime and every time, man.
Man, it's all good, man.
All right, guys. Well, Corey, I'll hit you up. I'll probably find you on YouTube and just say what's up over there at your channel, you know?
Man, we finna turn up for real. I'm finna be for real now.
All right, everybody. Thank you. Let me shout out everybody. SVJ, Rod Trades, Tyler, everybody who showed up in the chat. Thank you all for coming and supporting us. Code YouTube.
And y'all make sure you use code YouTube. Go buy some of them evals, man. They got that 50% sale going on, y'all.
Exactly.
Man.
All right, chat. Stay safe. Use a stop loss. And let's do this again soon, bro.
And y'all stay positive, man.
That's right.
Y'all know what time it is, man. Even during a day like this, man. Good grief, y'all. We'll see y'all later, man. We checking out, man. My boy Forex side. We out of here.
Let's go.